There is no second best.
What's up, guys? What is up? What is up? We're back again for some more Crypto Chaos and the news. How's it going, guys? How's it going? I gotta get a better system for this shit. All right. How's it going? We're back again for some more Crypto Chaos and the news. Oh my god. Oh, not sleep zone. No sleep zone. Soon. Soon? No sleep zone coming soon? I don't know, guys. It feels like it's never going to happen, but eventually it will. Eventually it will. Let's go release the chaos. Yes, J Money for your all. Number one, man. Number one. That's the first time I think I've seen J Money beat you guys. Greased up Nebs guy. How's it going? Popo screaming. J Money in the passenger seat. I don't know, man. It looks like he's in the shotgun. Yes, we vibing today, rolling down 1 to 5, saying greased up Nebs guy, 1 to 5. Yes, how's it going? J Money, and Nebs. Yes, guys, Cliff is also in the chat. How's everyone feeling? I don't know, man. It feels like everyone's kind of feeling some kind of way. I'm not really largely affected by any of this. I mean, I'm so used to it. You're right. We go up, we go down again. We go up, we go down, and we go down again. Yeah, it's the same stuff. Hi, how are we feeling? I don't know, Colin. I would say we're waiting for a pullback into the monthly close, right? So we still have Friday's options expiry coming up this week. Of course, it's only a few days away. Today's Tuesday, for those who didn't know. Terrible, twisted Tuesday. But, you know, we came up a little bit today. Anyway, we'll get into all that. Cliff, Colin, what is happening, fellas? What is going on? Greased up Nebs. Again, what is going on? Yeah, the Dream Guitar, a Japanese-made red Telecaster? No. I actually, I'm a big fan of old 80s hair guitars. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming, actually. I'm excited. I'm actually we're gonna get into that. I'm not sure, guys. I might have to head out on Thursday or Friday to go pick it up. So I may miss live stream. I don't know yet. I'm trying to work around it. I might do the live streams around it. I don't know. It's gonna be hard to be on the road and then do that and then come back. I don't know. Felix Cepeda says, we've had a major pullback. How much more of a pullback do you expect, man? Jeez. 100%, Felix. 100%. I'm exactly with you. We are oversold to all hell. We've gone. I showed you guys this morning even. We fell 5 times. 5 times in the past 2 weeks. How much more can we be oversold? And that's a real good question. That's why we're seeing a little bit of this pullback tonight. It looks like this could be the bottom. Potentially be the bottom. I don't know. Let's get into it, guys. How you doing? Let me know in the chat how you guys are feeling. It sounds like you guys are feeling some kind of way too. But you got it, guys. You have to embrace the chaos, right? Embrace the chaos, like the dancing mascots. Like they're broken. That's cool. Yeah, they're just hanging out. They're dabbing, man. They're dabbing. I don't know what's going on. Let's get the dancing mascots out of here and get the show on the road. Okay. Which actually, we might take the show on the road over the weekend. We'll have to wait and see. It's going to be a long weekend, guys. For those who don't know, Labor Day is already upon us. It's coming up quick. It's coming in fast. So you're going to have a lot of institutions. Everything's going to be closed Monday. So I don't expect much happening the rest of this week, honestly. Maybe we get a return to 115. Friday's going to suck. But I said this last week, and I'll say it again. I even said it yesterday. The more we are oversold and remain oversold towards the end of options expiring on Friday, the less of the pain it's going to be when we fall just slightly lower again on the options expiry on Friday. Because you actually see a rally instead of a dump. You usually see a dump if we're overbought. So I think it's good either way. I'd rather be oversold by Friday than be new all-time high. right? Because then we're going to do this whole sell-off all over again. All right, yes, Milk Money says, what's up, everyone? Yes, Milk Money is here. Yes, he's here, of course, for the super chaos, the super size me type of chaos, he says. Of course, guys, yes, we're here for the news, but always stay for the chaos. 100%. Thanks again, Milk Money, for supporting the channel with all of the flames. Love it, love it. Thanks again, my man. Yes. Speaking of which, I'll my earbud in. There we go. There we go. Yes, Felix says there's a CME gap at 117,000. Oh, man, you're telling me we got to go back up? We can still run it back up and run it back down before Friday ends. I mean, that's fine, too. As long as we don't get a new all-time high before Friday, I think we're fine. Feeling good, ready to hit today's all-time bottom and put change out of the square jar. The DCAN. Oh my God, Cliff. No. We're not gonna get. I don't think we're gonna get a new all-time high. New all-time bottom. No. New all-time high. New all-time bottom would be the fire sale. Basically, we haven't touched the fire sale since we ripped back in January. I don't think we'll touch the fire sale ever again. I mean, I shouldn't say ever again. We will touch new fire sale level targets, but the current fire sale level is 86,000 for where we are right now. That's about a $20,000 drop, and that's if we return to 108K, which is still a possibility too. I was calling for that before. Previous support before was 108. We bounced off of that pretty quick. We touched 108.5, 108, 109. Not that long ago. So right there, 108.5 right there. That was on Monday. We haven't done that since. We still got a little bit more of a bullish structure going on higher lows. So we're seeing some higher lows here. We could try to rally this into tonight and maybe get back to 115. Like I said earlier, it's kind of primed for a breakout towards 115. I don't know if we're going to get higher than that, but we'll get into, of course, all that later. Later, I'm going to get back into all the metrics. Yes, yes, how's it going? Super Danny's in the house. Doom and gloom, chaos and fire. Yes, send it. Send it. Let's just get it over with, man. Send it to 100K flat. Let's do it. Let's just do it. All right. What is up with the lighting? Oh, I gotta fight with this lighting. It's because I don't have the the lighting's dead. Apparently, it showed up and it went back to the post office because no one was here to sign for it. Next time, we'll get it. We'll get it. Sometime by the end of the week, I should get that sorted out. Maybe tomorrow. All right. Where are we at? Super Danny. Yes, Super Danny. Thank you for joining us again with your presence, Super Danny. My favorite Super Saiyan in the chat, Super Danny. Yes, Jake the Snake also is here. Fire and freedom, man. Yes, fire and freedom. Yeah, remain calm. My chariot was delayed by all the lube in the road. Of course, you know who's responsible for that. Oh my God. You guys are insane. Jake the Snake, yes, shill harder. Of course, reminding me to shill harder. Jake the Snake, I'll hail the king of Ohio. He, of course, requests that I shill harder. Guys, please, if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. We're 150 away. So close from that 1,000 subscriber target where we unlock all the superpowers for the channel. Cliff is saying he's feeling good, ready to hit today's time bottom. And yes, more DCAing, and I think we're almost caught up with the chat right here. Sometimes words matter. Cliff says he missed of the day. Yeah, like ready for all-time Bitcoin. Wait, bottom of the day today. Silly words. Oh my God, silly words indeed. Preparing like the stream, sir. And yeah, Jake, of course, telling me to shill even harder, guys. Everyone who, of course, gets into the channel before we hit 1,000 subs will get a wrench. That's right, a wrench in the chat. Everyone has a wrench. It's absolutely insane. I love it. And you too can get a wrench if you are here before we get to 1,000 subscribers. By the way, I gotta give Jay money. He doesn't have a wrench yet. All right, and Felix. Even Felix get a wrench, guys. Everybody. If I don't see someone with a wrench right now, and you're subscribed, you get a wrench. All right, just give me a heads up if I missed you. All right, guys, because some of you guys don't participate in the chat, right? So at least let me know. Okay, that you were here before we hit 1,000. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin sitting at 111,700. Looks like it wants to try and retest 112,000. Will we get another retest here in the next hour or so? We're going to have to wait and see. Currently, we're sitting at, what is it? 8:10, 8:15. We're just getting started, guys. We're just getting started. Let's get into all the stuff and things. Here we go, guys. Here we go. We're just getting started. Kimba the White Snow Lion, of course, the anime reference for those who know, right? Kimba the White Snow Lion on YouTube, bringing us the heat map for free. Thank you, Kimba, for providing us something for absolutely nothing on YouTube.
What are you, stupid?
Don't pay for something you get for free, guys. All right. Thanks, Oscar. Then, yes, I'm going to zoom in here and show you exactly where the order books are lying right now. It's a nice little representation I like to show you guys every day. And there you go. We have Bitcoin sitting at 111.7, 111.8. We did touch 12. 12 has some new resistance already built there, so that's why we're knocking our head right now. We have a stronger level, probably at 115, maybe 114.9. It's probably 114.9 right there. And then, of course, the 116 back here, which was our struggle to we lost that back on Friday, I believe. And then, yeah, the rest is history. We have 120,000, of course, psychological high. And, yeah, 124 was the previous all-time high right there. That's loading in more stronger in green as we go forward. And then, of course, beyond that, all the stuff is much, much higher. 130,000, even 140,000 is loading. And loading in bigly, guys, bigly. Man, you can see how much people want to sell off there. Gamma God is coming in with a $2 super chat. Gamma, good evening. Good evening. Welcome again to the channel. Yeah, good evening, Otaku and Chaos family. Let's get this money, of course, with Gamma Goddess's legendary tagline. Let's get this money, guys. Yes, the real money, too. The stuff that counts. Real assets, guys. Not the silly paper money we burn on the stream every single night. Yeah, you know, the remnants of war. I'm trying to save the world, guys. Just one burnt dollar at a time. Yes, yeah, what money? What money? Quint is here as well. How's it going, Quint? How's it going? Gamma was 2 timing. What's going on, Gamma? What? Geez, yeah, okay, you guys are just, Quint. I was teasing Quint earlier today. And for those who know, here in the morning stream, yes, Crypto JPEG says Otaku time. Sorry, I'm late. I was at Rob's. Was Rob at 6 p.m. Eastern now today? So, oh no, it's looking pretty good right now. Market open for the foreign markets. We're oversold to hell. They should be buying some of this up if they're, smart in any capacity and wanting to, participate in some of this dip. We do also today. In the foreign market, we're going to get into that a little later. I've been talking about this now for a couple days. Bitcoin Asia is happening right now as we speak, and I believe Donald Trump's son, Eric, is there. Maybe Donald Trump Jr. as well. Yeah, hopefully we'll start to see some of that news roll into this tonight's live stream, although I don't think they'll be awake yet. I think it'll start at 9 a.m. their time. Oh, Jesus. Where would that be? General Asia? I don't even know where it's taking place at. We'll get into that at the very end of the stream. I have that pulled up anyway. All right, as a reminder. None of the news outlets are even mentioning it, which is kind of weird. Let's get into the next metric, guys. There we go. Here we go. Oh, okay. U.S. national debt sitting at $37,282 billion. That's right, guys. We're going to hit that 300 billion, that 300 billion before the end of the month. We're only 3 or 4 days, 5 days away from the end of the month. That being the 31st will be, the 31st will be a Sunday. So Monday's going to be the 1st. We print an average of about 6 billion every single day. So give or take, no matter what, we're pretty much going to hit that. We only need 15 or so, 18 billion. Oh my God, these silly numbers, guys. $18 billion. That's only a few days away. Loading. All right. Poly markets. It's kind of not working. Yeah. Well, Putin meet with Zelensky in 2025. There's a 26% of that now. Jeez, man, 26% chance. That's crazy. Will Trump fire Powell in 2025? 13% chance. Not gonna happen. He can't do it. Jerome Powell out 9%. Fed decision in September. Rate cut 25 basis points. Now is up to 78% now, guys. That's 3 points higher than it was yesterday. Lisa Cook out as Fed governor by December 31st, a 25% chance. Does not look like she's going anywhere. Hard right news saying that she's already fired. I don't think that Trump has any power over the Fed. All right, moving on. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 60 in the stock market, ending today in greed. Bullish, guys. We're finally back in greed for the stock market. Today, Crypto Fear and Greed is sitting in neutral when I started the live stream. Now, of course, letting this load a little bit since I started about an hour ago setting this up. We're back to 51. So getting a little bit more bullish as the foreign markets open. And, of course, they have that Bitcoin event happening in Asia. Yes, the Dixie still sitting at 98.25. Nothing's changed from this morning. This is the same exact spot we were at. But the Dixie did come up a little bit today. Just a little bit from yesterday. We have crypto bubbles also. This is on the day. Everything coming up now pretty decently, actually. Look at this. On the top 100, we're up an average of almost 4%. Certain projects like XRP and even, what was it? Was it Say? Render? Say, Render. A bunch of coins are already up 6% already. I think XRP may have came down a little bit now. 5.3%. So again, it's pretty good evening. I think this started right around the market close. So around 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we've been starting to see a little bit more of green in our day. Crow's still holding these gains. If you guys count the morning live with me this morning, we covered this. Crow is now partnered up with Trump's Truth platform, right? His Truth social platform for payments. So Crow is going to be facilitated for that there. They also have, of course, a lot of incentives on their platform. That's why it's pumping today. At the highest we saw today was 45% the morning open. It was crazy. All right. Anything else happening in the top 200 we should point out here? Anything here? USDJ, just stablecoin. Never heard of her. Just moving to the top 100. It's a stable coin, so right, it's a stable coin. Doesn't look very stable. It's like at $3, $3 stable coin. I've never heard of a thing. I don't know what the hell this is, guys. Oh geez, we could do a quick little deep dive real quick. Just stable coin. It just entered the top 200. I don't know where it came from. The generation of DeFi on Tron. The next generation of DeFi on Tron. It doesn't look stable. Oh Jesus. Let's get in the coin market cap. Let's see a little bit about this token. So it's got a max supply of nothing infinite. I don't know what's going on here. Total supply currently right now is about 10 billion tokens. Looks like it's totally allocated from what I see. And the About token here is a popular new decentralized finance ecosystem built for Tron blockchain. It is an entire suite of products that are mostly centered around a decentralized stablecoin leading platform known as Just Stable. The platform launched in August of 2020 following its initial exchange offering, IEO, on the Polynex launch-based platform earlier in the same year, but the native governance token on the platform just had been circulating in May of 2020. All right, so I'm not sure what's going on with this on Tron. It's definitely not a stable coin if it's at $3.70 right now. No, 37 cents. 30 cents. What the hell? I could have sworn I read that as $3. It is. I don't know what's going on. That might not even be the right token. I don't even know. But apparently they got something going on in Tron. I'm over it. I'm over it. Whatever. It is what it is. Up 93% of the day, moving in the top 200 of assets on the day, up 75 in rank. So that's one of the biggest things happening on the top 200 right now. What would I be DCing into today, guys? Again, I'll give you a heads up of what I would be doing personally. Again, not financial advice, just what I would be doing. I love you too, Jake. Oh my God, what the hell? $2 super chat coming in from no other than the king of Ohio, Jake the Snake, wearing his lizard outfit. I don't know why. He's a snake that wants to be a lizard. I don't know. I love you too, Jake. What the hell? Oh, jeez. You guys are nuts. I love you. I love all you guys. All right, so what would I be DCing in today? This is on the day. There's not too much down on the day. On the week, let's look at the top 100s first as we get into this. Everything's still up about roughly 2% on the week. We might have to go into the month here. On the month, here we go, down about 4.5% on average. Any big takers that still are a big opportunity. Top 100 on the month. Render is still down 18%. Not a bad place to DCA. I do like Render. AI is still on the back seat right now too. Ondo's down 12%. That's not too bad. I'm still DCAing in the Say. That's still my top pick in the top 100 right now. Just letting you guys know. DCA and Sui. Sui's down 21.9. If I had a little extra cash, I'd be throwing in the Sui. That'd be my pick. And top 100 is Sui right now for the Otaku. Number 2 out of 200 though. Top 200 assets on the month. Down, it's probably still XCN the most. Again, most utility, it's down the most here that I'm aware of, that I'm actually participating in. That's going to be XCN, down almost 30% still on the month. Coming up a little bit though. We just talked about this at 31% last week. Now it's at 27.9. So again, it's down the most with actual utility. It's decent. It's decent. CVX I still don't know about. I mentioned that before. Still down a little bit more, but I'm not particular to that platform. It's up still 70% on the year, so not too much gains yet. Onyx did, again, full disclosure, Onyx did already pump about 700% this year. And if I had a second pick, it would be Wormhole. I love Wormhole. Hasn't done shit yet. It's still down 70% on the year. I'm still DCAing into that. And again, that's just my top picks on the monthly, guys. So again, not financial advice, just what I would do. You guys do what you're going to do, boo-boo. I'm not going to tell you what to do. All right, let's see what else we got here. I'm going to get back in the chat, too, and check in with you guys, too, because I'm behind on the chat. Holy smokes. Quint, where are all your sats? Says Jake. I don't know, man. Yes, that was Jake in the picture, right, Ben? Right? I was saying that this morning. You weren't present, but I did want to ask you about that. Jake was the one grifting in the picture with 0 sats, right? Oh, Jesus. I love you guys. You guys are hilarious. Yeah, you could snitch on me. Says Ben. Yep, I did. Yes, Otaku fam. Yes, yo. What is up? Braveheart McFreedom in the house. Of course, we're talking about your chain of restaurants. How's it going? How's the chain launches going? McFreedom's coming to a city near you. Yes, that's my man, Otaku. When Lambo says Harlow. Come on, guys. You know when Lambo. Then be now. It's coming, guys. It's loading. Miria this morning said, keep my name out, you mother... of your mouth, and then crash the stream. Yeah, oh yeah, that's right, exactly. Miria attacked me this morning. It wasn't anything to do with Miria. I was on a rant on Miria, basically just going through my personal experience, and I still have a huge bag of it, so I'm a little salty, right? I'm a little salty, but it is what it is, and I'm sure it'll do fine in the future. I hope. Fingers crossed. All right. I was playing. Yeah, I know. Chaos fam. How's everyone doing? Strawberry, my favorite flavor of dragons, is here. Strawberry dragons. Crypto Boz also. Yes, here, liked and shared. Thank you, my man. Thank you. I appreciate that, Crypto. I appreciate that. Gamma is everywhere. She is everywhere. Yes, stream totally crashed earlier. It did this morning. It totally crashed. By the time I came back up, it was too late. Yes, careful, bully. She's mad. I owe Quint a McFreedom's meal. You do. I think everyone owes it. Well, I don't know. He did deserve a little bit of that, though, Gamma. You weren't off point there, to be honest. I put a pull up, and they said don't give him any more coffee, and he refused the coffee anyway. So it was kind of unwarranted. Anyway, what else we have here? Gamma mad at me for ratting her out. Yes. What else we have here? Gamma is a sweetheart unicorn. Strawberry dragons. Yes, we love you, Gamma. I support Robin Otaku to the fullest. Thank you, Gamma. Oh my God, I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Thanks again. Otaku, we are out of the woods yet, huh? Rod, are we out of the woods yet? Not yet. We got to get through there's still plenty of narratives. That's the whole. There's so much uncertainty left on the board. China, putting out all the way to October now. Even further if their meeting doesn't go that well, or we even have that meeting still. I didn't see that on the Polymarket bets. I don't even know if that's still there. Let me double check real quick. Polymarket bets. China. Oh no, Z. I'll just have to put Z. Xi Ping. Xi. Trump. China. Talk before July. Talk before Friday. Meet with Trump in 2025. Here we go. Xi Jinping. 67% chance. So it's still up there. It's more than a coin flip, at least, I guess. Yeah, so there's that. Yeah, girls stick together, says Ben. Yes, girls stick together. Getting back to that, I didn't finish your question. Sorry. Yeah, there's a lot of narratives, right? So we do have, of course, everything moving back towards October. Not even just that narrative with Trump meeting with Xi to go over the tariffs, if we even get tariffs officially confirmed with China this year. I don't know if we will. And then beyond that, in October, we have the ETFs now all being pushed towards October. So what in the hell, man? We got so much momentum taken out of our sales with everything that's been pushed back now to October. And again, that only gives us 2 months to really rally for this year. So pushing us possibly into a full bull cycle 2026 level bull run. I don't know. That's what everyone's looking at right now. So I wouldn't say we're out of the woods yet. And then we have the local narratives like Fed's FOMC meeting in September. So we still have 2.5 more weeks for that to take place. And then beyond that, what else do we have? Well, there's just so many narratives, so many damn narratives. The Clarity Act, whether that be passed before Thanksgiving. Man, we're just losing so much steam, and we haven't done anything yet, really. Most altcoins are still not back to the January highs. I keep saying that over and over again, verbatim. All right, let's get back in the chat and finish up the rest of you. So, yeah, I wouldn't say we're not out of the woods yet. And, very, very local. We have, of course, the options expiring for Bitcoin on Friday, which I still enjoy these levels where we're at now. If we can stay at, like, 112... 115 even, or maybe 109, 108 right before options expiry, there's hardly anything left to sell off. We're oversold as it is on everything. Like all these treasury companies acquiring Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP, Solana, AVAX now, Tron, Toncoin. There's so many treasury companies, and what, they're gonna all sell off again? To what? I mean, Bitcoin's barely holding the level it was at the beginning of the year. 109, 108. What was it at the beginning of the year? 103? I forget. I mean, we're just happen to skip away from that. All right, let's see what else we got. Taco loves all of the wacky family and locked him in the basement. Yeah, it's crazy. I still love you guys, even though I'm locked in the basement. You guys haven't let me out of the padded room. I'm still talking to crazy voices in my head. It's fine, right? It's fine. I just play with my toys in the corner. I don't know. Oh, you guys are nuts. Oh, Jesus. Yes. Brave Harvey Freedom says all you the first time visitors come hit and subscribe button and come back for some laughs and crypto alpha often. Yes, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe down below. Of course, we're giving wrenches out to anyone who, of course, participates in the chat and wants to have a wrench before we hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. So yeah, let me know in the chat if you don't have a wrench yet, and I will give you one. And that's it. No more wrenches after 1,000 subs. We have so many wrenches, it's ridiculous. No bots are getting through, guys. No more bots. We haven't seen a bot since May now. It's crazy. Right, let's see what else we have here. Jacob Snake says, but I say often because I know what the squirt gun's down there. What the hell? The chaos is down there. It's only a matter of time before he tries eating expired canned tomatoes down there. I've already tried. Dude, how much soups I have down here? I can't eat the soups without the microwave, and most of them don't have the pop tops. So I'm trying to use screwdrivers and it's really hard to open those things down here, guys. Can you please give me at least a microwave and a can opener? My God. You guys are ridiculous. Ben Lawrence, 100% BHM. Yes, Brave Harming Freedom. Oh no, Otaku referred to himself in the third person. I did multiple times now. Oh God. I want him to slip me that paper and says, "Don't come to school tomorrow." Oh, you guys are nuts. What the hell? Like and subscribe. All right, after Oscar tells everyone you stupid. Yes, like and subscribe. Ben, thank you. Gamma God says, and the food is being charged to your card, Ben. At least I'm not paying for it. I can't afford anything right now. I can barely afford rent. And you guys are living above ground. Why am I still down here? All right, yeah, Ben, keeping it simple. Like and subscribe. Yes. What else? Jake the Snake was in his lizard suit again. Yes, he was. Harlow, what color? Purple? It was green, of course. DCA, my honey, for a return on investment. What the hell? Yes, stats. I'm not sure what you're referring to there. Stacking up his honey money. You guys are DCAing into honey right now. What's honey at right now? Just go over to crypto bubbles real quick and take a look at honey. I think it's in the top 300, right? Honey 392. So top 400. Honey right now sitting at 1 penny 9, almost 2 pennies, guys. Not bad. Still down 73% on the year. So kind of like Jasmine, almost in the same price action as well. A little higher right now than Jasmine, but this would not be a bad trading pair as well. I might have to put that on my list because I have kind of ignored honey for the most part this cycle. But you guys keep talking about it. I'll put it on my list. I do have a lot of trading pairs I like to use for Jasmine, of course, pertaining to XCM and Swiftcoin mostly. But now, honey, it would be a good one now that I'm looking at this price action so close. I'd love to see the breakouts happen together. All right. Let's see what else we got on the chat here before I gotta catch up, guys. I can't catch up tonight. You guys are insane. Yes, a regular Norman Rockwell. I'm gonna have to scroll down a little bit, guys. Catch up. That's a weird way to spell autistic Ben. What the hell, Jake? Like I don't know what to do with half you people. Yeah, when Clarity Act pending in the Senate, and boom! Holy crap, guys! Bam! Cliff coming in with a $10 super chat, telling everyone to like and subscribe. To 1,000 to kick off the altcoin season. No 1,000 plus subs and plus altcoin season canceled, guys. Yes, if you want to get the altcoin season going, you got to like and subscribe. Oh my God! Thanks again, Cliff, for that $10 super chat. I appreciate it, my man, for supporting the chaos as well. We're also, if Cody is here, we're also going to give away a silver wrench once we hit 1,000 subs. We're going to do a spin through all of the people in the chat, guys, and we're going to give away a silver wrench charm made by Cody Bakula himself. He's got the coolest name in jewelry. By the way, I love you, Cody. You're the man. Yeah, he's donating one of those to the stream. What else we got here? Arilla's a G is here. That's a W. What? Arilla's G. Who's that? Oh yeah. Ari. You're talking about Ari. Ari, right? Yeah, I know Ari. Hey, Otaku, how's it going, Ari? How's it going? Spence is here as well. I don't know, Gamma was slipping today or getting the meeting minutes and the agenda together. She has to try harder. Oh my God, Spence. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Yeah, ETH. Yeah, Spencer, what is your ETH prediction? That's a good question, Spence. What is your ETH prediction? Spence says, I predict ETH will take a lot of gas fees from me this year. Oh, jeez. My God, Spence, my God. We want a real one, man. We're putting you on the board, Spence. Come on. Everyone wants you on the board for ETH prediction. Let's go, man. We got everyone else on the board. Ramona and I were $30 away from hitting the freaking target, the $5,000 target this weekend. And then, of course, we had the explosion on Bitcoin. So Ramona and I are on point. We have a hive mind. It's crazy. So I want to know where you are sitting right now. That's ours right there. We lost it. It was so close. Okay, again, guys, Price is Right rules. The closest without going over. That is how we do it. And, yeah, we're going to have to move this down. If I were to guess now, $5,000 plus on Ethereum, it's probably going to happen at the beginning of next month. I mean, it could still happen Wednesday or Thursday, but it's more than likely going to happen next Wednesday. But why? Because we have, of course, our we have to ask Ramona about this one too. I'm gonna put that in there tentatively. I'm gonna gray it out so I don't lose it. Yeah. Let's gray this down. Make sure it's dead. We gotta move it later. Okay. All right. Let's get back into the chat. Yeah. So let me know, Spence, if you got one. Oh my God, I can't catch up, guys. I'm gonna be forever stuck in the chat. And now, of course, coconut oil. Go Gamma Ranger. Coconut oil. Do your thing. Holy crap, guys. At least it's better than lube, I guess. It's natural. Sort of. Oh my God. 52x ROI at 1 cent 9 at Rob's safe exit. What? From where we are right now, says Braveheart. Gotcha. 52x. Damn. Again, guys, if you are not part of Crypto Future, the link is down below in the chat. It's one of my favorite people in our space, and of course my favorite Canadian on earth, Rob, over there with the crypto gems. Catch him if you can. You will not miss out. You don't want to miss out on the gems, man. He's made me personally 10x already on one of my favorite assets. So I'm excited to see where we end up going further. Right, let's see what else we have here. I don't know about Gamma. Last time I used honey, ants got in there. Oh my God. Geez, Otaku, please get no sats, no service sign in your studio. Oh, that's perfect. Thank you, Ben. I love the ideas, guys. Thanks again for more ideas. I got to write that one down as well. Give me a second. I definitely got to make a note of that. That's perfect. I agree, Ben. I 100% agree with that. No sats, no service. I also gotta add a Bitcoin wallet to the show too at some point. No stats, no services, just perfect. I still wanna. I gotta finish that McFreedoms. I've been a little behind on that. I showed you guys my prototype of McFreedoms, the restaurant, but I'm a little behind on that because I am getting some more graphic design work. I have another project right now I'm doing that's due on Thursday, so I'm kind of hard at work on that right now. Let's see what's going on here. Oh yeah. I want to add those to my notes. I've got a shit ton of ideas written down now, guys. It's crazy. Oh no, I just blew it up. Oh my god, I have no idea what I clicked on. Okay, there we go. Paste that in there. Thanks again, Ben, for that one. Again, I love going back and forth with you guys on ideas. It was Cliff again, going back. It makes a smile to me every day. Cliff told me to add the Bitcoin logo to my stop sign. I mean, my traffic light, and I absolutely love that freaking thing. It's adorable. It makes me smile every day I look at it. All right, I love you guys. That's what I'm getting out, guys. I just love you. Yes, Gamma, you spending too much time with Nebs? I don't know, man. Yeah, you're not supposed to get that close with your your money maker, right? You a pimp. You're supposed to be pimping, not be making friends. Shit. Neb's still working on hard on the street. You're only asking for 3% though, right? Or 10%? That's not bad. It's not bad. I think ETH will crack 5,000 this week. Send Spence. So Wednesday, Thursday, Spence, I'll put you on the board. Let me know. December 5th, says Danny. Shit. You really want to go on the board at December 5th, Danny? Oh, my God. I don't think I have you in for ETH yet, either. December 5th, man. That's bearish. That's super bearish. Where am I at with the December predictions? There we go. Jacob Snake. Jacob Snake's calling for a 7,500. He's got you beat. Already. Even that's kind of bearish in my opinion. Just because even Tom Lee and everyone else, I've predicted since the beginning of last year that we were going to go to 12,000 by the end of this year. We're nowhere near it yet. We're about almost halfway, almost. So we're looking at the. Well. Danny might not have said that number. I don't know. God. I don't know. You calling for 5,000 by December 5th, Danny? I'll put you in there for that anyway. We can change it later if you want. Just let me know. All right. December 5th. The 5th. I plead the 5th. Always. All right. Spence also calling for 5,000 this week. That puts us right where? Oh my God, I just moved it. Where was it? Right there. So that would be, we only got a few days left. So Thursday? I'll put you in for Thursday, Spence. It's a solid day. There's a lot of volatility on Thursday. Friday's going to be lackluster because of the weekend and low volatility and liquidity on Friday. Wednesday, of course, could be good. That's tomorrow. Tomorrow and Thursday is all you really got in terms of parabolic price action. Unless, again, a unicorn news type event comes out. Spence is on the board, guys. I'm just going to put this week. I don't know, Spence. What the hell? Got to be a little bit more concrete. Jeez. All right. Okay. Because you got that dog in you, Nebs. What the hell did I miss there? I'm just jumping around the chat now, guys. Now is thundering. That's why I get out of the creek before I got a bit too. Braveheart, yeah, 1.21 gigawatts. You're in the creek. You're going to get hit by lightning. You're going to get struck by a bolt of lightning. Yeah, you don't want to be doing that. Definitely not before the bull run. We want you to be intact, my man. We want you to be intact. Yes, I got you. Your dough, says Graped Up Nebs guy. I don't know. You're going to blow up the house. Mom's going to stop by soon. Don't want to blow up off her pinky toes. What the hell? We live in the most broken household ever. The most broken ass household. When Bowling Jacket says, Ben, it's on my list. I'm going to look into it once we hit 1,000 subs. We're going to do a whole bunch of merchandise rolling out after then. I've got a whole bunch of ideas, of course, from you guys, and I've got, of course, some of my own as well. That I'm sure you guys would like. Shock collar, no joke. Emma never loses control over assets. Dude, that's actually a really good way to control your yourself during the bull run. Yeah, just only. I'll put a shock collar. Certain price levels hit, and that way you don't you don't go out there to sell off anything when we hit the super lows. Or the opposite. You can do the opposite too when we get to the highs. It is when we take in our profits to get December. We'll look back and laugh. Yes, you all look back at this and laugh. 100% Daniel-san. And with the 4D chess call as well, says Jake. Thursday is fine. Okay, gotcha. Nice, Spence. Of course, closest without going over, right? Braveheart wants to ride the lightning. I guess he does, man. Jake the Snake, yes, I'm pointing to that lightning. And there we go, guys. You bugging or buzzing? I am both. I am both tonight, man. Both. All right. Let's get into it, guys. We got a whole bunch of news to get over, too. Let's finish up the metrics. Bitcoin market cap dominance sitting at 58.2. We're almost ready to make a new digit lower. Almost. Let's take a look at where we're at right now on the week. Right now we're sitting at the 58.2. The lowest we got this week was 57.6, and we have not been below this area since the beginning of 2024, I believe. 2025. Yeah, 55.6. So this is what we're waiting for, guys. We're waiting to get back up to here so we can see parabolic moves like we saw back in January. So hopefully we can see this soon for the altcoin season. All right, man, I'm losing it, guys. I'm gonna have to start drinking something soon. I'm gonna lose my voice. Total crypto market cap, even with the little bit of recovery we had today, my portfolio is still doing okay. I'm hoping yours is doing as well. But we're still not even back to $4 trillion in market cap yet. Still at 3.87. This morning we hit a low of 3.78. So we're only up about 0.1 in market cap today. Top 10 assets in our space right now. Anything really moving, anything flipping, anything. XRP still worth more than Tether at the current present time, so that hasn't been flipped yet again by Tether. Hopefully some of this money moves out of Tether and starts going to the altcoins. That's the whole point. We got Binance coming up at number 5 now, sitting in at $120 billion in market cap. Solana sitting at 105. We got USDC still holding number 7 at 70 billion. We got Tron at 8, Doge at 9, and Cardano at 10. So nothing's really changed over the past day or so. Of course, number 1 and 2 are of course going to be Ethereum forever, at least for a while. At least next cycle, maybe. We'll see. What else do we have here on the outskirts? We got Chainlink at number 11, outperforming Hyperliquid and Stellar as we just got more news out of their ETF coming probably in October like everything else. We've got Athena coming up here at 14, Stellar at 13, Sui dropping to 15. That's why I think it's a good buy today. Almost 10% off today. Bitcoin Cash sitting at 16 now on market cap, still holding in there. I don't know how, but it is just because it's got the Bitcoin name, I guess, and being one of the first forks of Bitcoin other than Litecoin. Speaking of Litecoin, holding in number 20, outperforming Toncoin, pushing it down 1 market cap, and that's pretty much your roundup on the day. I think Avalanche got pushed back another by at least a few of these, moving up a little closer to the top 20. So yeah, that's what's going on there. We also have an audible mention going out to Jasmine, sitting at 98, barely hanging on to the top 100. Let's go, little coin that could in Japan. My favorite coin out of Japan. Okay, and then of course my favorite metric to show you guys every single day, regardless of Bitcoin's current price, is how many Bitcoin are on exchanges. And this is it, guys. I gotta zoom in every day to show you this ridiculous small number that's on exchanges right now. 2.25 milli. That's it from a low of the year. 2.23 milli, and we haven't seen the likes of any of this since I don't know, 2015 maybe. There's such a few amount of Bitcoin on exchanges left, guys. It's ridiculous. If everyone wanted to go out and rush out and buy, if 2 million people wanted to go out there and buy 1 Bitcoin today, they wouldn't be able to do it. Just two. All right, too many damn people in the world. And that's all that's left on exchanges. Treasuries list today. Nothing really new. Of course, Strategy bought more Bitcoin yesterday. It was about 3,000 plus worth, 3,400 I think it was, something like that. And BlackRock currently sitting at 749,354, probably closer to that 750, 751 today. There are some more outflows in Bitcoin right now, ETFs, and of course they're going into some of the Ethereum ETFs as altcoin season should be beginning soon. Okay, Bitcoin rainbow chart still telling us to buy. Not even back to accumulation. Accumulation starts again at 116.5. So we're still early and cheap. We're cheap. Not even still cheap. We're just cheap, like pure damn cheap. Like one level above fire sale cheap. All right, moving on. Bitcoin's still holding number 7, a little higher today in market cap, and silver about the same as yesterday. So we are moving away from silver's market cap, at least so we won't get surpassed by silver in the next day or two. Hopefully, if we don't see a big enough sell-off, we're still holding on to number 7. This week. And we get into some news. Bull run. Is it still on? Is it still happening? Oh, we'll catch up with the chat real quick and we'll get into it. All right, all the flames in the chat from Jake the Snake. Let's go, my man. Fire and freedom, man. That's fire and freedom at McFreedoms. Yes, you bugging. I have Labrador bugging to play fetch. Yeah, she crazy right now. Oh my God, I bet she's adorable. Yes, let's see what's going on. Ben, that feeling when Chris Hansen is sitting in the kitchen, the lights off? Oh my God. Oh my God, is that the feeling you get every time you're sitting in the kitchen alone and mom is away? My God, I don't know, Ben. There's something weird about that feeling. Grease Up Nebs guy says my portfolio is on drugs, drying up every single day. I hope not. God. Oh, jeez. Add some honey to Moinstein? What, Braveheart? I think this of this family as more of a realistic version of the Cosby Show, says Ben. Yep. That sounds like a really dark sitcom. Ben Lawrence says, Otaku, you got my predictions? I believe so, Ben. Maybe I missed it. Nope, no, I didn't. October 20th will be at $148,000 Bitcoin. October 20th. And Ethereum will top around November 10th. All right. Remind me again. I'm going to make a note of it. And we'll put it on there soon. I got to get through some of the news before I do it. Come on. Where is my notes? There we go. There you go. I got you at least. What? My notes crashed? My computer's about to crash again, guys. No, we can't do this again. Oh, my God. I think my notes crashed. Okay. All right. I'll be slow this time. Okay, it's there. I got you. All right, Braveheart wants to ride the lightning. Yes, he does. Yes, it does. We have Nebs, like Boys to Men. Nebs with a Z, Boys to Men. Braveheart said, wait till the water runs dry. DCA, 100%. Braveheart, 100%. Tell the world, guys, you got to be DCAing. But if you see red, man, you got to be Brian. That's of course you buying when there's blood in the streets. There's still plenty of blood out there now on the monthly. Just look at the monthly. My portfolio can beat up your portfolio. Thank you, Zebek. Do $1. Oh, Jake, you silly snake. Don't worry, Ben. Otaku will add your drawing to the fridge. I will. I have to make a copy of that. I can't. You guys give me too many freaking ideas. Oh, man. I'm just going to draw a picture of that picture and put it on my fridge. All right. TLC, don't go chasing waterfalls. Yes. Don't call. Yeah, exactly, Ben. 100%. Scuff Taku notes takes up too much RAM. Honestly, I have too many notes, and I don't know when I'm ever going to get to all of them. Yes, Jake the Snake. Mom will just throw it in the trash and put another one up of your finger paintings. Oh, my God. You guys are too much. Gamagon says, I get paid 2 hours. DCA is on the way. Yes. Man, you're lucky. I wish I got paid in 2 hours. I won't get paid until next week. Mom says I am a prodigy, and Nebs, I need my 10%. Oh, jeez. Airdrop incoming. Oh my God, you guys are crazy. All right. Let's get going, guys. We got to get back into the chat. Let's see what's going. I mean, in the news. Let's see what's going on in the news. No more bear market in sight. Bull run may stretch for years, according to some analysts. So let's take a look at what's going on here. Bitcoin is entering a multi-year bull phase, says David Bailey. A surge driven by a surging institutional demand. What have we been saying on the channel? This is insane. It's gonna happen. Oh my God, it's not gonna happen this year. It's gonna be next year. No. And of course all the fire and flames and Oh, jeez. And, yeah, we're getting, of course, analysts talking about that now, too. Shrinking supply and a tidal wave of untapped capital set to follow. We have $37 trillion sitting on the sidelines, according to Larry Fink, and there's no use case for that in sight. No one is spending it, and all the money remains in Tether and USDC. Yeah. And we're just going to stop this year? Treasury companies accumulating everything, not just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but other, top 5, top 10 L1s as well. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't think it's gonna stop. No crypto winter in sight. Bailey sees Bitcoin in multi-year bull mode with firepower. Growing optimism around Bitcoin's long-term trajectory has intensified as advocates highlight rising institutional interest and structural demand for supply constraints. We got David Bailey, an advisor of President Donald Trump on Bitcoin's policy and chief executive of Bitcoin Incorporated, the parent company of Bitcoin Magazine and organizer of the Bitcoin Conference, asserted on social media platform X on August 23rd that the crypto asset is entering a new phase of adoption. Bailey, who has also founded Nakamoto Holdings, which recently purchased another 5,764 Bitcoin for its corporate treasury, stated, "There's not going to be another Bitcoin bear market for several years. Every foreign sovereign bank, every sovereign, I guess, country, every institutional, bank, insurer, corporate pension fund, and more will own Bitcoin. The process has already begun in earnest, and yet we haven't even captured 0.1%, 0.01% of the total accumulated market cap. I don't know, the TAM. We're going to go so much higher. A dream big," he added. Total accumulative market cap? I don't know. He stressed that the present cycle marks a turning point, stating it to another X post. "This is the first time we'll ever see a real institutional buy-in." Bailey described the trend as the eternal September of institutional Bitcoin adoption, emphasizing that less than 1% of institutions hold Bitcoin, and among those that do, allocations remain under 1%. He argued that 99.99% of demand is ahead of us, while pointing it to at least 1 trillion is available liquidity as a key constant or constraint in meeting potential institutional inflows. Advocates maintaining the limited supply and growing institutional exposure provide a foundation and sustained upside, while critics caution that volatility, regularity, pressures, and macroeconomic uncertainties remain risks. Supporters counter even small allocations across several sovereign funds, banks, pension funds could significantly alter market dynamics, pushing valuations far higher than they are today. Last week's Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong started his prediction that Bitcoin would reach 1 million by 2030. Everyone's got this 2030 in their head, of course, from yours truly, Kathy Wood, who initially had that prediction in 2021. Or 20, I forget what year it was when I originally heard it. Anyway, citing increasingly in institutional allocations and improved regulatory clarity as key drivers, he pointed out that many major institutions currently allocate to only 1% of their portfolios in Bitcoin, and he expects this figure could raise significantly higher as confidence builds. Armstrong attributed the bullish outlook to the momentum from crypto ETFs, government adoption, including U.S. holding Bitcoin reserves, and the diminishing concerns over regulation. Boom! And there it is, guys. So, if anyone says it's over, we're not even beginning yet. Okay. So again, I feel it, guys. I just can't imagine it all ends coming crashing down. I'm telling you, there probably will be a fake out in January. I'm still believe that. I think that we're going to get a huge pullback in January just because of taxes, selling off for taxes, tax harvesting, yada, 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 all that stuff. And then it'll probably swing back towards the end of January into maybe the middle of February. And then we just keep going on for a long time. Michael Saylor's come out and said this before too, and he's the one buying up literally all of the Bitcoin that's mined this year. He's already did it already, and he's going to be doing it again next year. So the halving gets cut in half and half and half and half. Already. They're making some synthetic halvings. I've been screaming from the rooftop this for a while now. No one has showed you the amount he's bought and did all the math like I have over the past 3 months. Okay, moving on. Trump Media, Crypto.com to build $6.4 billion crypto treasury on Crypto.com's Crow firm. Crow jumps 25% on this news we talked about this morning. I don't want to spend too much time on it. I just wanted to reiterate it for anyone who did not catch the morning live stream. This did happen today. So yeah, Trump Media and Technology Group, DJT, has assigned a strategic partnership with Crypto.com to integrate the Kronos coin into their ecosystem for, the partnership going into Trump Media Group and, Truth Social as well. All right, I'm going to stop there and get back in the chat. I got to catch up with the chat, guys. There's so many French fries floating around here. So much money and hooks and what the hell? This nonsense, guys. I love you. I love you guys. You're crazy. He draws pictures with crayons as thick as sausages. What the hell? Oh, Ben, you have a very, very vivid imagination. But I do. I love crayons, man. I actually have a crayon that's like this freaking big. Anyway, I'm freaking Thomas Kincaid. It's hard to draw with your girly pencils with these hooks. Yeah, 100% Jake. Yes, Gamma. I love DCAing. Let's get this money. 100% Braveheart. I think of them like chopsticks. Giant hooks as chopsticks. Okay, I got your 10% greased. Yes, yep. You gotta pay the woman. She's making you money too on the streets. Don't forget that. She's hooking you up with the customers. DCAing till I'm dead, says Greased Up Nebs guy. No, Uncle Fink, I want financial freedom. Well, don't give it to Fink. Keep it for yourself. Don't give it to Fink. Don't give Fink all your hard-earned cash and then have him buy Bitcoin with it and then turn around and give you the cash back later. You get the Bitcoin yourself. Ben says, you go now. Why you stay here for 4 hours? What the hell, Ben? Oh, geez. You can't come in here no more. No more anymore. You guys are making me say the stupidest shit. Oh, my God. You renters pay $1,000 early for September. What the hell? I missed that. DCA fun, fast show, for show. Yes, I do. I kind of do that. I like to pay my rent ahead if I could. When Uncle Fink says you will own nothing and you will be happy, you say nay. My God. Oh my God, Jake, you're on too much. I don't know what you're doing tonight, man. You're on something. But yeah, going back to what that, the renters thing. I actually pay my rent with my credit card.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. When Uncle Fink says you still own nothing and be happy, you say nay. UNC is still riding a kid's bike and wearing a Tupac t-shirt. Oh my God, so there's that. Jeez. Ray Barber says, re-enters the live in fear of the French fryer. Last guy that missed the rent ended up as freedom fries. Oh my God. Anything goes at Freedoms, right? You're free to order whatever you want. We'll fry anything, even candy bars. Jesus. We'll make it, if it's friable, we'll make it edible, and it'll be delishable. Jesus. If anyone catches that, oh my God. That's an oldie, but a goodie. Yes, I thought that batch of fries tasted a little strange. 100%. Oh my God, we gotta turn the fryer back on, guys. Fry some Oreos and shit. I want my fries out of the grease. I do say nay. Contraire, mon frere. Oh, jeez, Braveheart. This is throwing up in the chat. Oh my God, you guys, 100%. They are fresh, Ben. Hey, let's get it. Let's party hard. No, Jake and Snake, they always are pretty early when they know that the baseball bat is coming. Oh man, I got tons of baseball bats. I got one with nails in it. Let's go. Let's get a spiked baseball bat. We can chase them on out, man. No need to fry up the renter fingers. Oh God. I want the cycle to end already to get my profits out, and I was just checking if I can hold out until December. The majority of my bags will be long-term gains, saving a bunch of taxes. I know, right? I know. That's what I'm saying. It's kind of crazy. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense if you bought in at the beginning of the year and we continue this into next year to sell off and then just pay, short-term gain. There's a lot of narratives that could play out. I don't know. A lot of probabilities. Gamma is selling DVDs. The Cosby Show. My dad never dropped pills and drinks. The best I can. Oh my God, really? I actually just had a conversation with a friend about this like 3 nights ago. Apparently, I didn't know he was out of prison. He got out of prison in 21 or 18 or something. No, I think it was 21. So he was only in prison for 3 years, from 18 to 21, and cause he's legally blind now. I don't think he's putting any pills in anyone's drinks anymore. Oh yeah. Although I'm here and I would say explain some of these things to Spence. Yes, Spence, 100%. I'm glad that you're here to help paint a clearer picture for the real Cosby Show. Nebs is selling. Oh no. Beware of the Braveheart bat. It hurts. It hits your gut like a Mack truck. Oh jeez. What's up, baby? How about them socks? I don't know what's with your socks, man. You want to fry the socks, man? You put whatever. It's you're running the shift tonight, aren't you? You can put whatever in the fryer. Just don't tell anyone. Oh my God, these DVDs are quality. Knock knock, the hustle Ben. Oh my God. DVDs are always fun to put in the microwave, though. Have you guys ever done that? It's a lot of fun.
What are you, stupid?
I used to do that when I was a kid. Just put CDs in the microwave. If I wanted to kill a CD, just it's a lot of fun. Your video made it on so one of the DVDs. Ben's pen. What the hell? Oh God, that sounds like a snuff film. Oh my God, that bat isn't available if you're F2P. Oh Jesus, guys. All right. Free to play. All right, Trump Media. Crypto.com, we already went over it. We're good. You guys good? Okay, we can move on. ETH continues to outpace Bitcoin amid biggest Bitcoin ETF outflows in months. Bitfinex Alpha reports. Following a period of substantial inflows, U.S. Bitcoin ETFs and Ethereum ETFs are facing a season of major outflows. During this time, Bitcoin ETFs are leading, and those withdrawals are reflecting the price of underlying assets. Data reviewed the analysts at the crypto exchange Bitfinex revealed that the investors withdrew at least 1.1 billion from spot Bitcoin ETFs in the last week. Their Ethereum counterparts saw fewer outflows, possibly due to the ongoing capital rotation into the altcoin market. Week of consistent outflows continues. Bitcoin ETFs have recorded a net outflow of more than 1.5 billion over the 6 consecutive trading days from August 15th to the 22nd. The negative numbers came as a 7-day streak from inflows, leading to up to Bitcoin's latest all-time high of over 124,000. Market experts believe that the demand decline reflects a more measured appetite from the investors at the stage in the bull cycle. Within the same time frame, Ethereum's ETFs have also witnessed outflows exceeding 918 million, which is close enough to a billion. However, the negative streak did not continue beyond August 20th. Despite these outflows, Ethereum proceeded to reach an all-time high above 4,940 on August 24th. Although it did have retraced at that press time, I saw as high as 160. Come on. Give me a little bit more credit. I was so close on that prediction. Yes, Ramona too. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has been on decline, tumbling by over 15,000 from the top to bottom. All right. Of course, Jackson Hole and all the stuff. We lived through it, guys. We don't need to cover all of this. But yeah. It's still rotation. It's still a good sign. Altcoin season's gonna happen, and it's not totally canceled, at least not yet. That's why you need to take your pills, guys. If you haven't already, please take your orange pill. Of course, it takes the FOMO out of the equation, and the FUD, and the fear, uncertainty, with just one little tiny orange pill. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, guys. I wish I could sell these without the without the government coming after me, FDA or something. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, that's what's going on with the ETF sell-off and outflows. Well, Ethereum go higher. Markets remain bullish. Analysts. The recent crypto market dip isn't deterring Ethereum bulls. They're still betting on Ethereum going higher. Prediction market traders, a myriad in the market developer, Decrypt's parent company, Dastan, remain convinced that Ethereum hits its 5,000 sooner rather than later, noting an all-time high is in process. While Ethereum currently hovers over nearly 4,500 after a wild up and down on the weekend, traders on myriad place the odds of Ethereum hitting 5,000 in the next 4 months at around 80%. That's 4 months? Come on, we can do better than that. Come on, we do better than that all the time on the show. What is this? What is this shit? 4 months? Of course it's going to be 100%. 100% in the next 4 months. Come on. I'm going to say 99.2%. Oh, God. Nearly 73% odds on the separate market. All right. I'm over this. Nothing article here. Ramona coming in with a $10 super chat. What the hell was that? Boom!
Money now.
Oh jeez.
Needing a lot now.
Ramona! Yes, Ramona says, glad you're still here. I'm worked through the Patreon live. Please hit that like. Yes. Thanks again, Ramona. So Rob had his Patreon live. Damn it! I'll never get on there ever again. It's always when I'm live. All right. Yeah. So, yeah, will Ethereum go higher? Markets remain bullish, of course. That's what they say. Donald Trump Jr. joins the poly market following investment into crypto prediction markets. Guys, they're wrapping up everything. They're grabbing it all. They're going to own a little bit of every market, every piece. It's crazy how much they keep swooping in and taking out of our space. Yeah, so poly market betting, Donald Trump Jr. joins the poly market. Following investment into crypto prediction markets, Donald Trump Jr. is joining Poly Markets Advisory Board. This is not the first time. Not him, but Donald Trump Jr. Eric Trump. Eric Trump joined Metaplanet's board, and was it one of the bigger miners? Obviously, they're American Bitcoin mining company. That's DJT's company, right? And then also, I think he's on the Marathon board, if I'm not mistaken. If not one of the mining ASICs companies. All right, so yeah, on Tuesday, while announcing on the 1789 Capital, where the U.S. president's eldest son serves as a partner, has made also an investment into the New York-based firm. The deal, which was first reported by Axios, was reportedly delayed until Poly Market had a clear path to re-entering the U.S., while decisions between the two firms' executives began about 18 months ago. According to an unmanned source who's familiar with the situation, there's no better path to getting back to the U.S. than the president's son. I'm just saying. That's right there. It's ridiculous, guys. How much this is going to get explosive with all of this soon. Investment made in undisclosed in terms following Poly Market's acquisition of QCEX. The prediction market signaled the last month that it's eyeing a return to the U.S. after acquiring the little-known derivatives exchange and its clearinghouse for $122 million. That's not that much, actually, in the grand scheme of things. In a statement, Trump Jr. described Poly Market as an important platform that Americans need access to, 100%, saying it helps people cut through media and political spin. It does. And it's been very right, too. With real money on the line, it's been pretty accurate. Trump Jr. has been serving as an advisor to prediction market rival Kalshi since the January. He was also brought in to help Kalshi with the partnerships and market strategy and the efforts expand. Although the last year's presidential election was viewed as a toss-up by pollsters, Poly Market titled its award titled toward the U.S. President Donald Trump in the race's final months. It also foresaw the U.S. President Joe Biden's withdrawal from the top of the Democrat ticket. There was also a lot of negative, press around Poly Market because as Americans, you're not supposed to bet on the elections, and we weren't allowed to even participate anyway here in America, so it didn't really matter. But I wonder if that's will change in the future. They might just pull that down altogether. We'll see. Activity on Poly Market has cooled in recent months, but the platform has registered $1 billion in trading volume in July alone. That's crazy. Damn. According to the Dune dashboard, over the same period, it registered about 285,000 active traders. And of course, we look at Poly Market every single day on the channel. 1789 Capital is funding the next chapter of the American exceptionalism. According to the website, the firm has made investments in the firms, including SpaceX, and according to PitchBook, some of the CEOs, Elon Musk firms have been drawn closer to Poly Market itself, including X as the billionaire social media company's interest towards becoming an everything app. When everything app get crypto or some sort of payment structure, that's what I want to know. If True Social is going to have it via the Crypto.com token and whatever else they're building on it, when the hell is Elon Musk going to finally get those money license funds for our whatever the hell the licenses to do it on his platform? I don't know. He's so behind on everything. In June, X linked his partnership with Polymarket, and the prediction market became X's official platform alongside the release of tool for dissecting the market moving news in real time. Authorities and regulators began scrutinizing the Polymarket last year for allegedly allowing Americans to use its services, but those investigations have been dropped since 2022. The company has agreed to block U.S. users after reaching a settlement with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, allegedly failing to register with the regulator. But yeah, we still look at it every single day, regardless. We don't care. We're bringing it in for the news, the real news, provided to you by greed. Jeez. Yes. All right, guys. Here's another good one today. Yes, of course, XRP jumped 6% to the top market gainers as Bitcoin retakes 111,000. This happened about 3 or 4 hours ago. Yeah, the rest of the coins started falling around it. They're all rallied kind of around it. Let's take a look at bubbles and see where we're actually falling right now. This happened, of course, when we got on the live stream. It's been a minute since we started the live. We're already past 9 o'clock now. It's crazy. Let's look back to the day, and everything's still looking green on the day. Looking pretty good, guys. This is top 400. We got the top 300. We got the top 200. Everything is looking pretty green. Top 100 as well. Hex coming down. It had a bit of a run here recently, so it does deserve a little bit more of a pullback, but I don't know. Maybe they're having a little bit harsh of a day. Maybe there's something going on with Hex right now. All right, so yeah, everything's still looking pretty good. Crow still climbing back up to 30% almost. 45 on the day was the highest we saw on that breakout. What else we got on here? Still about the same as we saw earlier. Coming down a little bit. Bitcoin's almost up 2% now, though. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Okay. Getting back into finishing up the news. There's a few more articles I had pulled up before we finish up now. Oh, maybe that might have been it. Oh, there we go. Japan's Monex Group considers launching yen-peg stablecoin. More stablecoins out of Japan being announced. We had oh my gosh, that was like 2 or 3 months ago, where Sony Bank of Japan put out their stablecoin. Then we had the other coin that was partnered with a collaborator with Toyota. I forget the name of that one. And then we have this one. Tokyo-based Monex Group is weighing in the launch of the yen-peg stablecoin. The chairman of Oki Matsumoto, citing the need to keep pace with the digital finance. The Prime Minister also was talking about this. I said it on my live stream. It was a day or two ago. Right there. Boom. Japan's Prime Minister just said that the Bitcoin and crypto is once in a century opportunity, and I said specifically, Ichiban numero one, 100%, 100%. He's right. Asia's getting ready, and they're getting ready tonight too, guys. Again, don't forget this event's happening soon. Boom. Bitcoin Asia. We'll get into that here in a second too. I want to talk a bit more about that. Japan's Monex Group considers launching yen-peg stablecoin. Based Monex Group is weighing in the yen-yon stablecoin. Right, so according to a Tuesday 2TV Tokyo report, Monex Group chairman Oki Matsumoto told the outlet that the company is considering issuing a yen-peg stablecoin in Japan. Issuing stablecoins requires significant structure and capital, but we don't handle them. We were left behind. Matsumoto said. He concluded with, "We will respond properly." So Japan's finance minister endorses crypto as portfolio diversifier as well. That I didn't see that one. That one just came out a while ago. August 25th. That was yesterday as well. Japan's finance minister endorses crypto as portfolio diversifier for the country and its asset holders. According to Monday's Bloomberg Japan report, Kato acknowledged that the role of cryptocurrencies diversified investment portfolio during a speech he was addressing the public for a stage during his keynote at the Web3 conference in WebX 2025 in Tokyo. While crypto assets can carry the risk of high volatility, by establishing a proper investment environment, we can become an option for diverse investment. Japan's Minister of Finance added, considering the growth of user base, he intends to focus on creating a sound trading environment for cryptocurrencies. Man. Guys, you cannot be bullish enough. It's crazy. We're getting proper regulation across the entire world. I'm really excited for Japan. Now, I still say this all the time. One of the big, one of the most exciting things that happened last year was back in February when we saw, of course, Jasmine had its first major breakout when venture capital was allowed to officially participate in 2024. That was crazy. And that news alone made Jasmine pump to about 5 cents. It was crazy. We'll see if we get that again with more of these proper regulations happening in Japan soon. And they also got to bring down their capital gains tax. That's also coming. We talked about that at great length the last couple months as well. Japan loading, guys. Hopefully they have some possible method of becoming a crypto capital of the world. We'll find out. And Amoka joins another Antler to bring Japanese anime and manga on IP on chain. I talked about this morning in my open live stream. I wanted to bring it up again because again, it's up my wheelhouse, guys. Of course, we're talking about crypto and anime, and I am of course the Crypto Otaku. And of course, I just want to remind you guys if you didn't catch the stream this morning. So again, we're getting more and more news out of Japan every single day, with Animoca Brands now partnering up with Antler, the corporate innovation firm arm of IBEX Japan, to launch dedicated Web3 entertainment investment fund aimed at bringing Japan's largest anime and manga intellectual property on chain. The announcement was made on Tuesday at the Web3 conference in Tokyo. Animoca Brands revealed a post on X. And I basically just outlined that there's so many use cases for this, really. And in the grand scheme of things, one of the best ones, especially for manga readers in Japan, would be to put it on chain and of course unlock it as an NFT for maybe one of your favorite animes or mangas, and you could just have the chapters being unlocked as you hold the NFT. They become unlocked to you, and you basically it's like kind of like a subscription, but it's a permanent digital asset. So I think it's stuff like that. It's going to be really entertaining to see how that goes into the future. It makes digital assets actually obtainable, tradable, and tangible in a sense or more liquid, right? You can use that in a trade or sale pretty quickly, and you don't have to actually put something in a box, especially with media mail basically getting pretty much eliminated in America. That sort of thing. I mean, there's so many use cases, not just manga. I mean, you could have it tied to, say, for example, Sega in Japan. I've said this many times too, having all these different incentives for different key players in Japan, like Miku, for example, is a Sega's flagship star and biggest digital idol in the world. She could be incentivized to unlock like maybe music and art, and there's so much stuff, so much memorabilia that could be tied into, of course, anime in Japan. All right, so I think it's of course really amazing stuff. It's just the forefront of it, guys. We're not going to see true adoption or use case of a lot of this stuff until we have the infrastructure built, and I think it's more of a 28 narrative, but still exciting either way that our entire world is going to change by the time we get to 2030. Whew, okay, with that being said, we finally made it to what's happening right now, or in a few hours. So let's get into this real quick. I do want to get back in the chat too before I forget you guys. Okay, we'll get into, of course, Bitcoin Asia 2025 here in a second. Let's get back in the chat and catch up with you guys. Holy crap, I'm so behind. Oh my god. Oh man, Ramona, yes, how is it going, Ramona? Ben, she says, Ben, what grades you get? Aren't they always? Are you talking about his grades? Oh no. And the socks in the chat. Oh no, no snacks for a week. Bad grades. Bad, Ben, bad. Oh my god. You're in trouble now, Ben. Mom's here. Crypto Mom, of course. Ramona, we love you, Ramona. What's up, Otaku? Says go time is going. You see it, man. You see it. It's up. It's up, man. Speaking of up, you don't have a wrench yet, go time. I'm going to be sending you a wrench. Wrench coming your way, man. I'm going to throw it at you. There you go. Everyone gets a wrench. If you haven't got a wrench yet, let me know in the chat. I am on fire tonight. I mean a D in the gym. Oh geez, you got a D. Neb's got a D, man. Somebody spanked Benny's got a D in the gym class. Oh geez, she found the socks. Oh no, not again, Ben. You have a problem, my guy. You have a problem. Jesus. That's why you keep asking me to burn your socks, man. I don't want to burn those nasty, crusty things. I'm not going to get into details. Anyway. I'm not touching those again. Spence says, if you're sure nice today, beautiful weather. It was, man. It was amazing today, actually. Every day is a beautiful day while I'm in here. Jake, you self... Oh my god. Okay, yes, Spence says today was a good day. You didn't have to even use the AK. AK lets you use her? Oh no way. She's too pretty for you, Spence, says Jake. Oh my God, what in the world are you guys talking about? Okay, actually, I partner with payment rail company Flexa. Interesting. Not sure what that is, Amp Knights. Zbeck to handle payroll, Amp. Oh, there you go. There you go. I just want, honestly, I just want Zbeck to handle payroll here on YouTube, man. I'm sick of getting paid on the 20th or 21st of every month. That's how they do it. It's really weird. You have to wait an entire month to get paid on YouTube. Oh yeah, your wife is such a good woman. She lets you have your phone back, Jake. Oh my God. Maybe it's because of all the beans, man. It's because of all the beans. What the hell? Buying girlfriend fried rice with $2? How do you buy fried rice for $2? Where the hell are you getting fried rice for $2, Quint? There's no way. There's no way. Not in Michigan. Not in Detroit. I don't know where you live, man. I'm just messing around. Oh God. Yeah, maybe I'm pretty clingy. Like a sandburr, says Spence. Geez. Quest says, "You go now. You go." Oh God. What's good, guys? What's good? Go Fwan. Quint. Oh no. Spence says, "I still haven't gotten over my girlfriend from kindergarten dubbing me. I still drunk dialer." No, you don't. What the hell is this shit? Oh my God. Holy crap, Spence. You guys are insane. Jacob 6 says, "Oh, that's what you took your phone privilege at the same time as Spence." The conference, yes. The conversation is hilarious. Nobody puts Spencer in the corner. In a corner quite like her. Oh my God. No, she puts you in the corner, Spence. I didn't know Spence was a stalker. Oh my God. Honestly, man, since kindergarten? I hope not. We're off the rails for sure. Yes. We've all gone off the rails a time or two here. Welcome to Crypto Chaos, guys. Oh my God. The fire is hungry. It's time to feed it, says Milk Money. Yes, it is. It is about time to feed it. You're absolutely right. We should definitely do that. We should definitely feed the fire.
In cyberspace. Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
We're about 20 minutes away from feeding the fire, too. Behind from feeding the fire. Brave Heart of Freedom says, "I have a babysitter once, Spence. She used to make a stand with me in the nose in the corner with my lengthy..." What? What in the... Okay. What the hell? I can't read half this stuff anymore. Oh, okay. I gotta scroll down and just catch up, guys. Thanks again, Milk Money, for all the flames in the chat, my man. Thank you. Yes, Spence saying, "Braveheart, I was going through a different direct at first." Okay. AK Spencer, child support checks on plastic surgery. What? Quint, I call it a shop. Let me see here. Brave Heart McFreedom says, "I guess we were more like a daycare lady than a babysitter. I was her walls. It was her walls, not mine. The training was ineffective." Oh my God. All crazy. 100% Lawrence. 100%. This whole chat is out of line. It's insane. Absolutely crazy. And I love it. All right. Yes, Cliff, can we just let a sock be happy? Oh, no. No, there's no such thing as a happy sock. Not like that, man. Not with what Ben does to the socks. Not with what Ben does. Boom! Spence coming with a $10 super chat. Oh my God.
Needing a lot now.
And I finally get a swig of water. Thanks, Spence. Thank you. It was sure sunny today. Start of a great crypto comeback. Yes. Changing... Changing the mood. Thank you, Spence. Thank you. I vote crypto plays more guitar more often. I try to do it at least every night. I'm trying to get back to it now that I have a safer place to put my guitar. It's still I got 2 dings on it, man, from the move and everything. It was kind of, but yeah, I got the guitar loading too. I love Fly Lice. Let's do it. Go time. Yes, Lawrence this is where the crazies come to chat. In crypto. Yes, this is exactly where the crazies come to chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course support the channel. Thanks again, guys, for all of your crazy nonsense added to my channel. I love it, guys. I love it. Okay, so going back into this, guys, now we're finally caught up with the chat. Yeah, Bitcoin Asia. It's happening within a few hours, I believe. It's coming to Hong Kong on August 28th. That's not actually coming tomorrow. Why does it say 28th? It's supposed to happen on, oh, was it Thursday in Hong Kong? Maybe this is off. Let me see. Hong Kong time. Hong Kong time. It's 9:30 a.m. I thought it was Wednesday. It doesn't make any sense that they're only going to get 2 days. I thought it was Wednesday to Friday. Let's see. What's on the agenda here? 28th. Yeah. So we still got another day. It's going to happen Wednesday night. So tomorrow night, right around this time, tomorrow night, 9:30. It's about a 12-hour inversion from where we are now here in the States. This is going to take off and happen. We got David Bailey. Just speak of the devil. We were just talking about him. David Bailey's going to be there. Yes, Simon Girovich is going to be there. Of course, the president of MetaPlanet. We're going to get, was it Eric? Was it Eric Trump? I'm pretty sure that was Eric Trump at the front there. Who else is going to be there? 10 travel, White Pass contact sponsor program, and Hong Kong's a huge crypto environment, and they're also leading the way right now when it comes to crypto, being the crypto capital of the world. They're the first country to actually get a Bitcoin ETF outside of America, and they were the first country ever to offer right out the gate Bitcoin like in kind Bitcoin for Bitcoin on ETFs. So Hong Kong's still a popping place when it comes to Bitcoin and crypto assets. All right, guys, so that's coming. We'll talk more about that tomorrow as that starts to happen. All right, so right now we're at over on X now. So, if you like what you're seeing here tonight, please hit the like and subscribe down on the bottom of your screen. Jake the Snake demands it. He demands it. We are trying to get to 1,000 subs, guys, to unlock all the superpowers on the channel. We need to get to 1,000 to do the crazy stuff that we plan to have. All the crazy merchandise, possibly open mic nights here on the live stream. Maybe. I'd love to do something like that, guys. I'm talking to myself like a crazy person. I don't even know if I'm really here. Like, if I'm not just in a crazy, like, insane asylum, just bouncing off rubber walls right now, or if I'm in the studio. I don't know. And sometimes I talk to myself and I read all these crazy things. I don't know if they're just voices in my head or if I'm actually here reading this stuff. But guys, we got to get, of course, up to 1,000 subs to get the stream going. All right, so let's do some doom scrolling tonight. I have a few things pulled up I want to share with you. This we found Satoshi Nakamoto after he said he was moved on to better other things, right? We found him. He said Crypto Bose with a 99-cent.
Satoshi started a fire.
What the hell? I didn't know you can go that low. I think I just got 50 cents, man. YouTube just took all that. Oh my god, that's crazy. I never knew you could do a 99-cent super chat. That's insane, my man. Thanks again for supporting the channel. Crypto Buzz. That face, man. That face. You guys are nuts. Harlow's in the chat. Oh my god, you guys are bringing it. Speaking of bringing it, look at Satoshi just whamming, man. Dude, it's amazing. It's amazing that he can produce like that much synth out of the freaking PVC pipe, freaking gasoline can. It's insane. I love it. I miss making music now too. Shit. All right. Satoshi. So that's what Nakamoto moved on to. BlackRock just dumped Bitcoin 9 hours ago. Millions of Bitcoin sold in the past 10 hours. Seen on Arkham. They are gearing up to rotate into ETH. That's what everyone was saying, but seems like we're again getting a little bit more of a pullback now in the foreign market open. Trump media strikes a deal with Crypto.com. Of course, we talked about this earlier. Yeah, funded by $1 billion in Crow tokens, cash, and warrants, plus a $5 billion credit line from Yorkville. Yes, Trump family going into, of course, Crypto.com. Just in the Thai company, RSXYZ announces plans to buy 3,333 Bitcoin. You guys ever heard of this company? No, I haven't either. And, of course, more Bitcoin buying. Yeah, it just never ends, guys. It never ends. It never ends. All right, so we're going to be doing some doom scrolling now. See what we can find. Let's see if we can find anything juicy. The U.S. Department of Commerce will start publishing economic data on the freaking blockchain. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Of course, this is why I love the Real News platform over on X. It's where all the real news
More
lives.
things, the Department of Commerce is going to start issuing its statistics.
Let's
on
go,
the
Lutnick.
blockchain, because you are the crypto president, and we are going to put out GDP on the blockchain so people can use the blockchain for data distribution, and then we're going to make that available to the entire government so all of you can do it. We're just ironing out all the details so we can do it.
We're gonna have a transparent government, guys.
The Department of
No
Commerce
way.
is going to start issuing its statistics on the block.
That'd be insane. Oh my god, I gotta share this one. That is crazy. Crazy. This came out of Cointelegraph too. That just came out 6 hours ago. President of the United States said the traditional finance system is broken and crypto will fix it. Let's go! Yes! Fix the money, fix the world. Let's freaking go.
Behind the scenes, the technical backbone of the financial system is decades out of date, many years out of date. You know that. Paul and others are straightening it out. Payments and money transfers are costly and take days or even weeks to clear. Under this bill, the entire ancient system will be eligible for a 21st century upgrade using the state-of-the-art crypto technology. Who would have thought we would have been saying that 2 years after many Americans?
Yep. I think that clip's a little old though. Breaking Nakamoto announces $5 billion equity offering to buy more Bitcoin in Bitcoin companies. We covered that as well. That's of course David Bailey's company. We have Nakamoto facing more David Bailey. President Trump says U.S. is no longer funding the war in Ukraine. Damn! There's so much crazy news happening today. Holy crap! Bitcoin Asia starts tomorrow. Yes, it does. We just confirmed that here on the channel as well. Let's share this one as well tonight. Looks like, Twitter is allowing me to share again. This keeps going back and forth. I don't know if there's like shut off times or something, but every time right around like 2 or 3 when I'm starting to like really dig deep and like share some stuff so I can share with you guys later on my channel, I get blocked from sharing, and I don't know what's going on with Twitter, but it's letting me do it now. It's weird. Right, see what else going on here. Cryptos are us. George, I'm George, you're George, we're all George, you know that, George. Just an avalanche has just overtaken Solana in a 24-hour stablecoin inflows, signaling a shift to liquidity trends. Of course, that's bullish for Avalanche. Just an 18 billion Bitcoin shorts will be liquidated at $125,000. 18 billion short. This is insane. That's way too many shorts out there, guys. We gotta destroy this. We gotta. Guys, buy some sats right now, man. Help a brother out. Help your fellow Bitcoiner out. Let's destroy this. This is ridiculous. $18 billion in shorts. Wrecked if we hit 125,000. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Although I don't see that happening before Friday. It's a little too soon. Former White House crypto director Bohine says that Bitcoin Reserve Act will be signed into law this year. Yes. I mean, we have a Bitcoin Reserve. The Bitcoin Reserve Act is the ability to enact in purchasing Bitcoin via means through the government. Yes, hopefully we reevaluate our gold, paper gold, and yada yada. Okay, gold Bitcoin card, 10% cash back, opt out with Bitcoin. Look at this, big freedoms. They're already doing it. Oh, what the hell? 2015 dollar costs you. Look at this, 0.035 Bitcoin. Now 2025, a $2.50 cheeseburger. Because you don't have there's no dollar menu anymore, right? I haven't been to McDonald's in years. There's no dollar I'm assuming there's no dollar menu, so there's probably $2.50. Is it $2.50 really? The price of a normal, like a single cheeseburger? That's crazy. Now costs you 0.00002 Bitcoin. So 4 zeros Bitcoin. Guys, of course, your money gets your pricing power, right? Your purchasing power becomes a lot better with the power of Bitcoin over time. Yes, the Department of Commerce is going to start using statistics on the blockchain. We just covered that. That's exciting. I just can't believe it's real. Max Kai just said if you're not in Bitcoin, whatever it is you're in, it's going to zero against Bitcoin. Of course, he's going to say that. It's Max Kaiser, and the Bitcoin price was 66,000 at that particular time. Biggest scam in the history, of course, isn't Bitcoin. It is the dollar, the U.S. dollar. We burn every single day. DeSantis plans to end property taxes in Florida. He's still shouting for this. I'm hoping that he gets it. And not a lot of people like DeSantis in Florida, but I think this could really shift the entire dynamic of Florida when it comes to supporting DeSantis and his fight for real freedom in his state. Governor DeSantis agrees to second debate with Gavin Newsom. Let's go. Wow, I did not know that they were debating. Okay, I gotta go back and watch that then, because that sounds like a really good one. Gavin Newsom being a bit of an a-hole, and DeSantis a little bit of an a-hole himself too, I guess. I'm gonna put that in my notes, so maybe after the stream if I have time I'll watch it while I'm doing some design work. Okay, yeah, the Bitcoin Magazine public company kindly raised $5 billion to buy more Bitcoin. We already talked about that. Nakamoto Holdings. Tom Lee says Ethereum should hit 5,500 in the next couple of weeks. Guys aren't bullish enough. I'm telling you.
Ethereum, in the near term, 5,500 should be happening in the next couple of weeks. But by the end of the year, I think it should be close
12?
to 10 to 12,000 for ETH.
Yep.
But it's because, most of the move in crypto does come in the fourth quarter. So if you're up 35% year to date, well, if you're going to be up 200%, it's going to all happen in the next few months. And for the S&P, if the Fed follows through and begins to cut, which is our expectation, and then we get a drop in mortgage rates and the ISM turning up, and therefore financials really begin to participate, I think that's why we get to 6,800 or so on the S&P. So still a lot of upside.
All right, he's still calling for S&P over 6,800 by the end of the year as well. Boom! Crypto was coming with a dollar super chat, 99 cents. Oh my god. What the hell, Crypto Pause? You're funny, man. You're funny. Miso Hodl. Jake the Snake. You guys in the chat. I've got 17 subs already. Otaku, you better step it up, Quint. Oh my god, he's going to beat me to 1,000. I know it. I know he's going to. Damn it. Damn it. I know, Oscar. I'll never make it. Oh, Quint. Oh my god. I'm telling you, Twitch is a bitch. Twitch is a bitch. Yes, Twitch is ridiculous, man. It's hard, man. That platform, the algorithm over there is even worse than YouTube. So basically, for you to be seen on Twitch, you have to play a game that no other players are playing, which means that you're already going to go down on the scale. You have to be just the most eccentric. I probably would do pretty well on Twitch just because of that. You have to be the most crazy person out there playing a game no one's ever heard of, and hopefully being seen or going viral. That's the only way you make it on Twitch. You cannot play games that people are already playing. Popular games are only going to be moved to the bottom, as it's based on how many people are currently watching you and your popularity overall in that space. So Twitch is a little bit of a yeah, they changed that. I think it was like, man, I haven't done that stuff in years. 2018 maybe they changed that, maybe 19. No, it's probably 16. It's probably earlier. All right, that they changed those the algorithm over at Twitch to actually make money and grow your channel. I saw the drummer earlier. What drummer, Colin? Is that Doodle? You talking about Doodle? What happened to Doodle? Where's Doodle? That's awesome. Quest is going to drop that top 10 cryptos for us. God, really? Top 10 cryptos. I can tell you my top 10 cryptos. I don't know about the top 10 cryptos. I can tell you that my favorite top 10 altcoins, like L1s or like gems. I can tell you that. With the insightful commentary, Harlow says, looks like Doodle. Where's Doodle? Are you talking about that? Oh, you're talking about that guy. Yes. I know you guys are talking about. You're talking about Satoshi. Satoshi. He moved on to bigger and better things, right? Where the hell is my channel? Oh my God, Wall Street Bets. No. Satoshi. There he is. There's Doodle. It does look like Doodle. It probably is him. God. Yeah, anyone checking on Doodle lately? I'll have to share that over there. Man, there's too many things to do, man. It's hard to remember everything on the planet to do. I'll throw that over there on the Crypto Features Patreon. All right, and again, shout out to Rob over there if you guys are part of that group. If you're not part of that group, hit the link down below in the chat. Crypto Future is over there, just one click away. We'll give you all the gems you need to make money in our space. I'm going to try to add this real quick before I forget to over there, so you guys can keep track of what's going on with the dudes. Oh my God. Oh my God. People over there asking me, what about Dog with Me? I haven't heard about that thing in 2 years, dogging me. Oh my God, people are still investing into that. Remember Cock, COQ or whatever, in me as well. Hoppy, I haven't heard of all these coins in a while, man. Those are old memes. And again, shouting out to Ben, and I wanted to show you guys this again. I love this, McFreedoms. Oh my God, you guys are crazy over there too. Where did McFreedoms one go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Boom. There it is. McFreedoms. Welcome to McFreedoms, guys. How can I take your order? All right. Let's see what else. I got to catch up in the chat, guys. Miso Hoddle. Yes, Miso Hoddle. Same haircut. Yes. The drummer had a shocking resemblance to Doodle. 100% rest in peace, Doodle. All gone. We don't know what happened. I used to have him in my credits. When I rolled the credits, I used to have Doodle in there. I took him out because he stopped coming on the channel. And I felt kind of bad because I don't know if he went away because of the banana or not. I don't know. DAG blockchain, transparent. Yes. Quint, yes. I mean, they're going to give up some transparency. I mean, obviously, they're not going to show the military budget via transparency, right? But there you are, Quint. There you are. Yeah, transparent. Man Bush chain. Let's go, Jake. Yes, Man Bush chain. Doodle is my back. Your backup man? What? Your back man. What are you talking about? Wait, Spence. You know where Doodle is? We haven't heard from Doodle in forever. He popped up on the open mic like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I tried to get him on to talk, and he says, no, leave me alone. No, I'm fine. I'm listening. No, I don't want to talk. I'm just listening. That's what he said, and that was it. And we just let it go. He is back, but not with his banana, says Jake. The banana never came back. Yeah, the banana never came back. I lose my banana all the time. What I'm talking about? I'm talking about the one on the charts, guys. I'm talking about this one. When banana. Oh God, you guys are crazy. Yes, they will invent stealth chain to launder money from you effectively. Says Quint. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Stealth chain to launder your money. Let's freaking go, says Colin. Me rest of the pepperonis. What the hell, Doodle? The goddamn banana. Yes, Spence. That's what killed it, man. We love Doodle. I was trying to get Doodle on the show. I was like, dude, I got a gig for you. Yes, Ramona coming with a $2 super chat, saying he's a master D. Baiter. All right. Hopefully, I don't get flagged on YouTube for that. Oh yes, Ramona. You're probably referring to Gavin Newsom, right? Probably around the time I said that. Also, you said for a $5 super chat as well. I missed, man. I'm behind, guys. Boom. DeSantis and Newsom debated a couple years ago. Newsom a piece of shit, and a better debater. Oof. Yeah, DeSantis, I can kind of see him. Yeah, kind of stumbling on his words a little bit there. I get it. Okay, let's get back up here. I'm still trying to catch up with the chat. I'm so behind. You bring dishonor on KY Jelly. I never did get that sponsorship. I'm glad I didn't either. I don't need no lube sponsorships in the chat. I cannot believe all you guys sent me all these crazy sponsors for lube. No, we had our first sponsor. What was it? Some truck company or something. It's like I don't know, some California truck company lube or something. Oh my God, this is ridiculous, man. Don't watch what you got. We got to watch what we say in the chats, man. We're pushing a lot of weird sponsors into my mailbox. Yeah, it wasn't you. I'm deleting these, so don't read it all. I'm gonna read them. I'm gonna read them. Oh God. Okay, so let me catch up. Quint says they just act crazy easy. Yes, I've met DeSantis in person and wasn't impressed. Suspense. Gotcha. I'll clap people's cheeks in game and change your IGN to TTV. Oh my God. I mean, I can clap some cheeks in game in certain games, right? New Scum needs someone to come in and ask about his drinking problems. Oh boy. They will come and subscribe. Yes. You will build it and they will subscribe, right? That's, of course, I built the studio. It is time to get the subscribe. So that's right, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit the like and subscribe down below. I need to shill harder for the channel get to 1,000 subs. Please hit the like and subscribe, guys. It doesn't cost anything to support the channel as we grow into the craziest funhouse on crypto YouTube. Oh boy. Oh yeah, he's quite the smiling wordsmith, Ramona. He sucks at life. God, yeah, he does. Yeah, new scum indeed, indeed. Braveheart. Spence says, I will never say. I will say that the night I was super impressed with Vivek. The dude was legit and engaged, 100%. I was really surprised with Vivek in 2024. LMFAO. Yeah, mom spitting facts, 100%. Crypto mom is spitting facts. Jake. Vivek Ramswamy. Ramadan? No, not Ramadan. God. Is Quint really a peace taco? I'm not sure. Really peace? I don't know. Not sure what you mean by that, Lawrence. Yeah, that's my guess based on the speech patterns. Peace. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, you guys are a bunch of savage heathens. You found the right place, my guy. You found the right place. Oh, guys. Who am I, says Greased Up Nebs. I know who you are, Nebs. I know who you are. God. Oh, God, Nebs. Okay. Ramona, Vivek is AI. That's an interesting conclusion. I don't know. He is impressive, though, man. That man moves a mile a minute. He can definitely put up the punches in a debate. And I think he. Oh my God, I really sided with him with the last election. I thought that he had a very positive presence, and I think he could have beat not Trump, but he could have beat anyone else if Trump wasn't involved. And they were trying to get. Remember. I mean, we forget about what happened in history so quickly. Remember, we had Trump. He didn't almost drop out, but he almost got put. He was in and out of prison and all this crazy shit. They were trying to, of course, set that back as much as possible. But Vivek might have still came out ahead. I don't know who the hell really voted for Kamala. I don't know if anything really is that. I don't want to go into the whole thing, guys. The whole world is so messed up. I mean, the elections, are they really legit? I want the elections on blockchain, number one. I mean, Cardano, of course, with Charles Hoskin, he's been preaching about that for years. He wants to put elections on blockchain. Let's freaking do it, man. I don't want any of this silly, crazy paper nonsense anymore. I'm done with all of the paper. It's ridiculous. It's 2025. Well, we shouldn't even be reading books anymore. I do like to sit down. I'm sentimental, though. All right, DeSantis. DeSantis, just sneezed, eats pudding like I do, so there's that. Okay, Ben, that's a good argument there. Ben Lawrence says, Helmo said hell nah. What the hell? How's the open mics been? I've been getting to bed early. We miss you, Ben. We miss you. We miss the normal Ben, the conservative Ben, not the chaotic Ben. We actually had a lot of people say that in the last 3 open mics. Everyone's always surprised about your your persona here on the chat. But we love you. We love both sides of your of you, Ben. Both sides of you, Ben. This show is proof that there's no shadow banning. Oh, are you sure about that? I don't know. That one day we went on the 4chan to search up some crypto whale pages, right? We got banned. We got banned pretty quick that day. It was crazy. So there's still some shadow banning. Probably saying that word probably would get me banned. I don't know. Mom, are you putting A on the fridge? I don't know. Did you get an A, Ben? I don't think you did. I think you got a D in gym. That's what I heard. Honestly, YouTube lets this chat get away with murder for now. I guess we're not, again, over 1,000 subs. Maybe we won't get away with murder anymore. I don't know. Not a Vivek fan. It does not add up, says Ben. I'd like to know your argument, but I'm open to either or. Okay, let's see. So proud of your A, says Ramona. Oh my God. You got approval from Crypto Mom? No, that's not fair. I'm still in the basement banging 2 soup cans together. Like, no one's even giving me a can opener yet. I gotta open it with one of my one of my K9 teeth. I don't know. Olympic size pool that's 1 inch deep, says Ben, and it's all full of loop. It's all full of loop. Oh God. Goth Mommy coin dropped. Where do I get Goth Mommy coin, says Jake the Snake. Asking for a friend. God rest in peace, Jake, he's gone. Quint is... Come on, Nebs. Come on. Juicy is the new Goth Mommy coin. Juicy, really? If elections on blockchain, then no more a CA. No more blue California. Oh, elections on... Yeah, probably not. That would be amazing. Do you imagine what a red California would even look like? oh my God, clean beaches and like no, I don't know about no more homeless. That's a stretch. Maybe not a fire every week. I don't know. You wish, Green Jelly. You wish. Yeah, you wish. Yeah, to be honest, contributed a lot to the creative chaos. Yes, you have. Yes, you have been. Not even disputed. You have contributed a lot to the creative chaos, and I love it. I get shadow ban 1 out of 10 times I speak in this chat, says Quint. Ben AI. Ben might be AI. I've been thinking about trying to create an algorithm from Ben, actually. Yeah, use Juicy Sweatpants coin. Mommy loves me, sends Ben. I will never finish with the chat at this rate, guys. That's insane. Otaku just likes to pretend I'm shadow banned and skip my comments. I should have skipped that one too. Yeah, I should have did that. Anyway, for sure, Cliff, 100%. She ruined my 6th grade skating rink party. That's because you just get into trouble, Ben. You just get into trouble. I see what you do with those socks, man. I walked in on that one time, and I don't want to talk about it. Ramona says we love the energy version of Ben, every version of Ben, although we never know what version was going to show up. That's right, Ramona. We just never know. She has more slow skates than me. I'm not sure what that means. Says Ben. She likes Ben more than me, though. Says Nebs. I never get fruit snacks. We love you too, Nebs, but you're too slippery. Jeez. Yeah, I mean that was what Jake said when he rolled into town. He's like, "What's with?" He's like, I almost slipped on the road when he came in because all the roads in town are now covered in all the lube. Everywhere you go, man, you're like Pigpen. You just keep dragging all the slippy stuff with you. All right, yeah, Jacob Snake, your Johns give you enough gifts. Oh God. No one can hug you, Nebs. It's kind of it's a hedgehog's dilemma situation. No one can hug you. They don't want to get all slippy, man. But I mean, you're useful in your own way. You're definitely our getaway guy, our getaway driver. You can get out of any situation. Oh my God. Yep. Yeah. Can I have own milk and cereal for the morning? Using Jake's bowl instead of milk is just degrading. Oh my God. What the hell, Ben? Yeah. Dang, Ma. I'm too slippery. Too slippery for a hug. Yes, Jake. Okay, time for more fire. I'm sleepy. Yes, it's time for the fire. Jake the Snake, let's go with the freedom fire. It is time, guys. Let's get into, of course, the last 2 segments of the stream before we head out. That's, of course, if I can pull up the right page. Oh my God, yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock, guys. We've been rambling on until, oh my God. Oh, that's crazy. It's crazy. But I love hanging out with you guys so much. It's so much fun. All right. Let's get over there and check on see what the normies are looking up today. Taylor Swift's engaged. I didn't know that. You didn't. Maybe you knew that. I don't know. Bruce Willis. Emma. How? I don't know. I don't know what's going on with Bruce Willis. Coco Gauff. Storm versus Fever. 2028 Olympics. Terry. Just flat out. Just Harry, okay. Phoenix Dust Storm continues in the normie searches as well. Jonathan Bailey, Cubs versus Giants, sports. Normies love their sports. Lottery numbers because they can't invest in anything. They're just playing the lottery. Dennis Rodman, he's relevant at all. Jay Cutler, Starbucks. There's a new menu, and it's just, nonsense. Cadillac F1, Sawyer Hemsley, I think they put, like, chicken tenders on there. Just some generic microwavable things to sell people. The waterfront loaf with a chocolate swirl. Okay, NYT. Hunter, Renfro, Christina, Ronaldo, Jonathan. Cracker Barrel logo change at the very end. Still trending. Ridiculous. All right, guys. Of course, they get a flat F today. I want to give them an F- because this is just crap. They didn't even search a single thing related to our space at all, or even just remotely like stock markets. The only thing there might have been related was Starbucks, and that's not enough for me. Mostly it could just be normies like, oh my God, Starbucks got new items. I just see that more than I do seeing investors searching on what changed with Starbucks today. Okay. All right. Bitcoin on the searches here. We're looking at over the last 7 days. Let's take a look at price action for Bitcoin. Price action. Google search history, and we're seeing some more activity. Look at this, 95 now at 6 a.m. Universal time, and we had 100 yesterday. So this is coming back, guys. It's coming back. I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow we see another large interest in the open, yeah, we start to see Bitcoin getting closer to 115. We'll see where, of course, Bitcoin's headed tonight here in a minute. Then, of course, we got the Ethereum versus Doge versus the XRP versus Bitcoin versus Solana and Doge. And, Doge is basically unsearchable right now. We had a little bit of an uptick here, in the last 2 hours. Ethereum and XRP and Bitcoin, of course, taking the cake tonight. Nothing really new there. Nothing's really changed. Ethereum coming up a lot, though. Remember when Ethereum was trending down here with Solana? No one was Google searching it at all. And even Doge was a little higher than both over the past few months. That's kind of gone away now, with Ethereum taking the lead out of most of the steam on Solana lately. Okay. All right, let's get back into crypto.com. Damn, still hitting at 30% there. Let's get, of course, back into the metrics. We're going to look at just one more metric. That's going to be, of course, Kim of the White Snow Line, before we burn some more money and predict where Bitcoin goes tonight. Here we go. So Kim of the White Snow Line on YouTube. Anime reference, for those who know, showing us the heat map for free is, let's see if we can look at these order books here just one more time before we put in some predictions. So we're looking at a little bit of a retracement since we started the live stream. We were touching this top wall right around 112. We got shot down, and now sitting around 111.4, 111.3. Around 111.2. So a little bit of a retracement. We could still come back up here and swoop in for another pass right around midnight, probably, or 11:30, somewhere around that time frame, as where that's going to be pretty much the day trading start to, or I guess the beginning of that for Japan. And of course we still have our short-term targets, looking at maybe 116 if we're lucky, if we're really lucky. I don't know if we're going to get that high this evening. Let's take a look and see what's going on after we do the Crypto Chaos magic. I need to be infused with chaos and an instrument of that to show you where we're going. For that, we got to go over to the altar and see if I can light a candle while holding a camera again. Oh no. Alright guys, let's go burn some money. Alright, and for those in the chat, thanks again for contributing to the chaos tonight. Ramona coming in numero uno again. Crypto Mom leading the way with 1,025 XP tonight. Thank you again, Ramona, for leading the way on the channel. Spencer Phrase coming in number 2 for Spence, 650 XP tonight. Yes, and we got Cliff coming in number 3. Or did I say number 3? Spence is number 2, numero 2, 650 XP. Number 3 coming in at Cliff with 650 as well. That's why these are jumping, man. These are jumping. You guys are neck and neck, but somehow Spence is leading the way. Probably has more in the chat than Cliff right now. And then, yes, we have a number 4 on the outskirts there. Number 4 coming in with 250 is Jake the Snake, and Gamma Goddess tying for number 4. Thanks again, guys, for contributing to the chaos tonight, and we're going to burn some money. With that being said, let's get over to the altar. I think we're going to burn a $10 bill tonight. A Jefferson deserves some fire, I think. It's been a while since we burned a Jefferson. Let's burn another dead president, shall we? Let's get over there and do it. All right. Should be able to click a button. Who's got the button? Boom. There. Oh, man. I can't wait for those lights to get fixed. All right, guys. I'm back again at the altar. I got to find my pizza lighter. Here we go again. Back at the Shrine of Satoshi. We're gonna burn more fiat with my famous Bitcoin pizza lighter, or infamous. And let's first start the ritual. First thing we do is, of course, light the Bitcoin candle. That's the first step in any crypto or chaos magic. You're gonna light your candle. You're gonna place it on the altar. For those following at home, It's educational, I guess. Yes, I mean, you can use a few different things. Sometimes I like to use a sacrificial dagger. Yeah, just a little bit of that there. Tonight, again, like I said, we're going to burn a Jefferson. We got some remnants on here. I'm going to try to clean this up a bit. Fire pits a bit. Yeah, a bit messy. I love that I can do this a lot cleaner now. It was a mess before on my desk. Alright, there we go. Nice and clean. Alright, so tonight, I don't think Bitcoin needs that much help. It's oversold. Of course, we're just going to idolize the moon via the moonstone. So there's that. And we're going to place that on the altar. And I just kind of want to put some tiger eye on it. I just feel like let's just ignite some. Let's get some wealth, guys. Let's get some wealth going. Let's do that, and yeah, we're going to make a sacrifice. Let's burn a Jeffy. Bye bye, Jeffy. Bye bye. I love burning presidents. Holy crap. That one was good. That was a good one. Alright, so there goes that president into the fire. And yeah, we're gonna say our mantra on to the over the altar, CRPYPTO, and the ritual has begun. I'm gonna finish this by stabbing the dead president, and there we go. We are good to go. Alright, that being said, let's get back to the desk. Alrighty then. Whoa! Oh man. Socks before rocks again, man. You want me to burn your socks again? Last time I did that, you know, the smell lasted weeks. I'm not doing it. Freaking Ben, your freaking socks. Those are nasty. I told you last time. Damn it, I'm not doing it. I'm channeling bubbles now. All right. Let's get to it, guys. I'll try to catch up with the chat afterwards. All right, let's get into it. So Bitcoin's sitting right now at 111,300, up about 100 since we just looked at it. Let's get into the 15-minute time frame. We're gonna put our ritual sticks in place. My God. I need to do something on my computer, guys. This is not good. It can barely handle the chart anymore. Remember when we were up there? That was funny when we were up there. Yeah, that we never got back to that stairway to heaven. Nope, we never did. All right. Okay, let's get in here, guys. I gotta zoom on in, see if I can get in here. Yes, there we go. It's starting to let me move. Okay, let's get the ritual sticks in place. For those who are just catching the channel, guys, we put the sticks in place. They are pointing out all the volatility in our space via time frames. 9 a.m., of course, the market's open. Foreign markets on the other side of the world. 12 a.m., of course, referring to the intraday close, or intraday trading, and 3 p.m. the market close, and of course the 9 a.m. for us here at home, market open. We're going to, of course, show you where Bitcoin. We're going to plot all the movements here in the next 12 hours. Let's show you where we're headed next. Okay, and of course yesterday, winning. I'm gonna just call it winning. Just a quick recap from yesterday. Yes, we hit our baseline target at the market open. Yeah, moving into today's price action, and we're still oversold, but we did have a little bit of recovery today. So don't expect the moon, I guess. But at least it's not an inverted head and shoulder, right? We're a little bit above water today. All right. Yeah, head and shoulder, whatever. You know, at least we didn't get a head and shoulders in the middle of all that. I'm going to clean up that price action from last night, and then we're going to get into it here as well. You can also watch this overnight. We're going to, of course, have the Crypto Chaos Magic live stream going again, too. What is this target here? I forget what. Oh, yeah, this was. I forgot about that. That was Neb's cup and handle. This morning I was showing Nebs, look at this cup and handle. Inverted cup and handle, giant inverted cup and handle. That was a fun one. Again, it shows what we can look at. We're actually in the handle right now for this inverted cup and handle. That takes us down to $97,000 Bitcoin. Hopefully that does not play out. All right, we've kind of invalidated a little bit with some bullish price action. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see what happens tonight. Looks like we are kind of creating a little bit tiny of a cup and handle on the shorter time frames, but this could go literally anywhere. It's not indicative of anything. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna see where Bitcoin's going tonight now. All right, I am now a instrument of chaos. I will show you where Bitcoin's going to go with a 95% likelihood, right? Probability of us getting it right, because that's how it used to be anyway. All right, so yeah, let's see where we're headed tonight. Bitcoin's sitting at currently 111,200. Still fighting around this area here. Let me get a little closer. We do have some key resistances I want to point out. I just cleaned this up too, so it kind of sucks. I got to do all this again, but I'm used to it. So let's just knock this out quick. Bada bing, bada. Oh my gosh, bada bing, bada boom. All right, so yeah, we got our bottom and our top there from the last 12 hours, last 24 hours. That's good enough. That's good enough. And I don't know if we're gonna get to see that tonight, but we'll put it on the board anyway as well. All right, so there we go, guys. We have our low level of support right now sitting at 108.5, 109 basically. We've only touched that once in the last 24 hours. Hopefully we do not see that again. But again, it's probably going to be something we look out for the bear target. Let's take a look and see where we're going for price action tonight. I gotta zoom in. Damn it, there we go. Fill up the screen. All right. Okay, so yeah, baseline target tonight for Bitcoin. We are going to run this up for another pass. Maybe a little bit here, rejection, a little bit here, rejection, right about here. We'll fall and then climb again right around 12, break out a tiny bit. The bears will give us a little bit of relief. About 13.5, maybe as high as 14. Probably not going to call for that. Nah, I'll do it. Maybe 14.5 at the very most. Somewhere around there between 2, and we'll see a few pullbacks there, something like that. And then, of course, a drop at around 3 a.m. as the foreign markets start to close. And a reset for tomorrow morning, and for us to trade right around sideways, pretty much at the same price level we are at right now. Slightly higher, though. Slightly higher. It's our baseline target for tonight. Then we're going to get into bull case scenario for Bitcoin. Bear case scenario. I can't do it out of order. Got to do it in order. The ritual demands it. Yes. So the baseline bear case for Bitcoin tonight. We do not hold 111. We actually lose it pretty quickly. I would say right around 11 o'clock at night. We might see a little bit of some turbulence. Maybe we run up to 11.5 one more time, get rejected, and then we start to break on down. We start falling down towards 110,000, 109. Let's see if we can keep that level. And if we ultimately lose it, we're going to go down to that 108. 108.5, 109, maybe as low as 107.5. The absolute low for Bitcoin right now is going to be 103. I don't think we're going to see that soon. Hopefully we don't see that until maybe Friday. And that would be because of the options expiring on Bitcoin. And we have a little lower to go just to get reset for Monday. All right, so that's what's going on in our bear case scenario there. This is not good. This is a downward trend here. Hopefully we do not see that tonight. Hopefully we stay above that there. All right, bull case scenario for Bitcoin tonight. Probabilities. We're running this up. Pretty quick, I would say. Back to 114.5 right around midnight. Maybe see our double top here, and then a breakout again to 117.5. Hopefully, right around 3 a.m. the markets close, and then we sell off into the market open. Yeah, so that would be our bull case scenario tonight. I would love to see that. It's not asking the world. We're just going to reclaim what we lost back on Friday. So again, that's the idea there. All right, then we get, of course, into our super bear and super bull case scenarios. Ooh, can I, you gonna let me? I can zoom out enough. I gotta zoom out for the super bear target, of course, sitting at the fire sale at $86,000 Bitcoin. I can't even go that low. There we go. There it is. It's $86,000 Bitcoin going down to the fire sale for the super bear target, and of course, some return back in the morning on Wednesday. There we go. And a super bull case scenario. Of course, my super bull has been sitting right around 130,000. I think we can get there. If we hit, again, remember, if we hit that $125,000 Bitcoin before Friday, $18 billion in shorts get liquidated. That would be an unprecedented amount of money. Probably getting people to never short Bitcoin ever again. I would love to see it. I'd love to see it. So I'm gonna just put that on the into the universe, right? We're gonna put that into the universe, climbing to as high as 130,000. Why the hell not? And of course, a little bit of a pullback in the fall in the morning open. So I'm gonna put that into the universe as well. That's a super bull target. Not calling for that one. Would love it to see it. Again, it's not unlikely that we ever. It's not unlikely that we won't see this at some point. We've already seen the Super Bowl hit 3 times this year. Okay, right. So where are we going, guys? What am I looking at this tonight? I'm still stuck in my baseline bull mode. I'm still stuck in it. I mean, we're oversold to hell. You look back here, and again, we keep falling and falling and falling before the monthly close. I don't know how much left there is to sell off. I mean, all these treasury companies are just gobbling it all up every day anyway. I mean, MicroStrategy just bought 3,400 coins in Monday. We had 3 other treasury companies this week already buy close to that, if not more. What was it? Nakamoto just bought like 5,000. I'm like, it's ridiculous. You can't do this forever. It's Hungry Hippos extreme. Yeah. So I'm still baseline bull, as you can tell by my demeanor. Still baseline bull, oversold, and I just want to be bullish enough, right? I only ask for like 12,000, 112. Why do I ask for only 112,000? Because my general idea, and I've seen this happen multiple times, is if we are overbought, right? If we throw this up and we do hit these new all-time highs of 130,000 before September, we're gonna have a huge pullback, huge, maybe going as low as. I wouldn't say the fire sale, but like maybe 102, 103,000, just because it gets more dramatic once you end the month oversold, and the vice versa in the same way too. If we're already oversold, there's nothing left to sell off on Monday, so we might see a little bit of a pullback, and as low as maybe 108 again, but we won't see any new lows. We need to keep higher lows going, and so that's why I want at least to see 112, 113 before the markets close on Friday. And again, that's going to happen on Thursday night into Friday, so it'll be midnight on Friday. So that by the time we get the market open on Friday, it'll already be over. So again, heads up, guys. That's how this thing is going to play out, as it always does every single month. All right, let's get back in the chat and catch up with you guys. Ramona coming in with a $5 super chat. Thank you again, Ramona, for supporting the channel. Not unlikely we won't. What kind of triple negative is that? I think I did stumble over. I corrected myself, didn't I? I thought I did. Unlikely we won't. I don't remember exactly what I was talking about that exact moment. But yes. It is. Oh, what was it? I forget what it was. I was in the moment. I get zoned in, man. I just get in the moment. I forget what it was I said, Ramona. You have to remind me. Yes.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. I don't remember, man. I don't remember. 55 emails, 55 altcoins, 155 subs, 1,000 subs. What the hell? Magic powers unlocked, unleashed. I can't wait, guys. We're almost there. We're so close. Yeah, Ben Lawrence says Otaku is on gear. Just look at that mask. God damn. I was definitely in the zone. Yeah, make 30 emails and Gmails, and you have 30 YouTube accounts. Damn, everyone needs to start using Rumble. That's an awesome name too, by the way, Rumble. Yeah, Rumble is awesome too, man. I thought about going over there and streaming as well. My computer potato cannot do it. I can barely do the charts anymore, guys. Look how slow this is acting now. It's ridiculous. And I've cleaned up this charts twice in the last week. Yeah, it's getting bad. I think my components are just getting worn out. I've built this computer back in 2018, so it's already 7 years old. Over 7 years old now. Almost 8. Let's see. Everyone needs to start using. Okay, Sailor buys high and sells low. Seller doesn't sell. Come on, Rumble. Come on. Yeah, catch that until he read it back. Oh my God, I didn't catch that until he read it back. My God. Oh, yes, Cliff. Everyone needs to use Rumble, says Otaku has ADD? Attention deficit disorder? I don't know, man. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe OCD more than ADD. I don't know. Attention deficit disorder is... Oh, look. A diamond. I should hold this. What are you guys talking about again? Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, me there says, yeah, a Braveheart... Jeez. There's a lot of people with ADD. Just because their environment is surrounded by screens, it's hard to keep track of everything these days. It really is. And there might be a little bit of that there with me as well. I could definitely see myself in a moment texting. Oh, shit, I forgot about this thing I should have done a while ago. Going to a different screen. Oh, no, let's go back to the computer. Oh, let's go back to the laptop. Yeah, I've done that. I'm sure you guys have all been there. Don't tell him who I am, says Rumble. Who are you, Rumble? Now I'm curious. The man behind the mask. We all wear masks, metaphorically speaking. Jesus. Which voice was I talking to? I don't even know anymore, man. I don't even know who I'm talking to anymore, Ben. I'm sitting in a room dark, trying to eat some cans of soup, playing with my action figures, and I don't know how to open these cans anymore. I'm just trying to use Godzilla's tail and, like, scoop it open. I don't know. I don't know what to do, guys. But it's gonna be fine, guys. We're all gonna be fine. How are you? Some men just want to burn it all down. Yes, Ben. Yes. Yep. All right, guys. With that being said, I'm going to call it for tonight's live stream. Bitcoin. I'm still calling for a baseline bull. I think we're oversold, and I'm not asking for the moon. I'm just asking for actually just baseline, really. 112. If we ended tonight on 112, I'd be happy in tomorrow's open. As long as we can keep 112, maybe even get a little slightly higher low tomorrow as well. 114 maybe on Thursday, or moving into Thursday from Wednesday, would be bullish in my opinion into a not a total market sell-off, but a little bit of sell-off on Friday early morning. All right, guys. So have a great one tonight. This looks bullish though, guys. If we actually did go down that low, you know how crazy the spring up would be. I don't want it to happen though, not before December. Anyway, have a great one, guys. I will see you tomorrow morning at the course of the market open. Have a great night, and I love you all. Thanks again for contributing to the chaos. We love you, Ben. I don't care about your socks. Just keep them out of my room, man. Just keep them out of my room. You shouldn't be doing that. It's my room. It's my room, Ben. Damn it. Later. You guys are crazy. I know I'm crazy, but my God, you guys are on par with me at this sometimes. It's nuts. Night, yo, crazies. Yeah, night to you as well. Night to you as well. Sweet Prince. Good night, Sweet Prince. Thank you, Jake. I love when you put me out like that. Yes. Night, crazy friends. And I don't know, man. I'm so crazy. I mean, you guys are crazy too. You need to take more of these pills. You need to take more of these damn pills. I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Have a great night. Catch ya on the flip side. Yeah, Milk Money. Thanks again for all the flames, my man. I will see you soon. Later.